Good morning, homwancho murigire agatembe television erituko oniria ijuma chitariki ndotenga nigo chire mirongo ibere na isano na isato mutinyiga gatatu ndochengwa korense ngobutokore ikegima karibu sana semiroveri erituko ria rero ane munaso muroveri gabwetwani nekero etwani yagatembe nekero togochaka ane kionga chinse 12 chiabono mambi ndotenga anonya chabutokire chitageka 15 mwancho murigireria nigo ngogosogeria siasore no korengea kone gose no kugania kone na kwabokire korebia nande no bwate obotoereru ritukore juma erio ritataketia mangana mangi na kwariganirie kegima ne kerongo kubore nyare gusangana inche kero korubona kero na chakire wika ekero ndachie gukura omo roberio yiga kurase studio ya kabere nere atsana na boigo korombagika each camera nere Wilfred Matundra na boigo ndochenga anonyesa miendo akorende turakora ekionga tumagochochaka nonye chigazeti chiri tukoya rero mwancho murigerere nche nkuru kwa Matilda o ekero nkorigereria egati yari agenderete ase ense ya Kenya ndotenga abuna bono agose amangana ari agendete go trend ase chinga kimune chiga ndoche bono chinse chinyinge gose byombe biribyo kwegerera nonye obwene bo manyabanto ni go bono byachakire kunya kumugoria yore ore umurai bwenseri soyo kabiro umurai bwenseri ya South Sudan amanyakanete buna Salva Kiir umurai bwense ya South Sudan Salva Kiir anyara konekia buna oyore nere okumwamiriria gusokamiriria serikali kegima au manyekanete gusoka bere nainde omo vice president umakanete buna Riek Machar anyare ko watu kokuro ase chere ikiagira ni ganyare tukubekwa abiara nekiro bono abange bagende tukuboria anyare kubwatuka na gotikana na yutukuriria ase ense ya Kenya ntubwate omubunge omochoro kurase orugongo orori ero Mount Kenya mankanete buna moske Sabina Chege ndochenga aniga go trend nande nasiki nga niga tarite go chase county eri ya Bungoma na egintu kya mugose tinkiringa ni ganyarite korora chinyomba chiomire nache omubaro gwe chinyomba chiomire ase county ya Bungoma ni gore igoro nko bolenga nonyekero kurigereria igagusi chinyomba chiomire gose chinyomba chiokoma nigo chire chinyinge kegima bono Sabina Chege nigo akuburia ningige kogera amagenderero atari se county ya Bungoma ere kolengana nere okoma chinyomba neginto gekorokia ngobugima nigo bolense magendero tayase chinse mecho agotebanga mangana buna egate iyo gochase chinse mochiri chia Central Kenya gose Mount Kenya ngano chinyomba chikoma sorogongoro Mount Kenya tari mono tari nyinge ayo ona mangana yo nande ndochenga nagendete kumuragia biara oyo konyora ore omwaziri wa mangana public service omoske Justin Bundi Muturi nga nigo anyarete kubutora okoboko koriga gukumuragiria nga tekonyarekana Justin Muturi atoke ime ya serikali na hinde ebe nganero kwamiriria serikali ikegima ndochenga bono mubungo yiga nigagendete go trend ikegima na boigo nande nagendete kumuragia biara umurai wense omukoro muske uru muigai Kenyatta nekera gotebanga kero kende umuske uru tanyarete koena no bosembe goseta nyarete gosegeta abarai ao bali abake bagukina kurase orogongo rwa Mount Kenya hasa gotebanga uru never mentored a leader in Mount Kenya ngekero uru abati chinguru kegima tanyareti koligia abarai bali abake bagukina anyare ko basegeta nakoba suguma gose koba chinguru kegima ayo negati yari agenderete na mwancho murigiriria na aria kubotera ni chinse cha Michael nareigo musai nareigo manyikanete muna Steve Munyako nande nagotebetia siri rituko regoronga umusawe ga niganyarete kurwana no musani oya aso mwaka 2011 yune miaka 14 yairire mwaka 2011 abo asebona so mwaka 2014 akanyara koba convicted gose akanyara gosibwa nabo igo hukumu ya nigo yaringeke gwe mwaka 2024 kusaitwe after 10 years korende ase korengana na keria kose korengana na okuburia kuri kwanyarite kubwatu ko mwako eta ekero musaiga Steve Munyako abonete goitwa asenseri ya Saudi Arabia nigo bona serikali ya Kenya yanyarite gwesonani na boigo bakanyara kusabanga aiwe chingaki nechibesa chiri chaka niri charinge $1 million nigo bono nduchinga ari baria para babwatani ebege Islamu korwa asense ya Kenya na boigo abarai mbanyara agokora emeyega na boigo bakora chi campaign na kumuchangira bono tari gochigoitwa ngango chare kubwatu kanande korwa asense ya Saudi Arabia nyare kurena ase ense ya Kenya oyu tari ero mutangani gose ebikorwa abune biga kwanyorenga chinsenchire ekero omo Kenya korira mamocho nigo bono agokumirwa achi igoitwa gusasinjira anonye eyo kongento korora eya Margaret nduta ase amatuka bwango iga nere orenge gochikoitwa asenseri ya Vietnam mangana na iga narotogende tukuruge kuronga ekero wachire ense ya bande mugusi agotebanga ense ya bande obonjo murigereria ekero tugutigana nayo nigo bono ngukoira ogoika ase gosekero tukurigeria ase kyonga ndochenga ebikorwa abia abantu gusiria magima abo aigasoro kongorwa gusi tukurigira nonye abasae nigo biabire bicomment kana naseki bono ritukore igoro ekemambi nigo abanyakenyoro bakurwa ase ekenyoro gya eti kanunda egotoka ime ye ward ya Nyako bunge ya Kitutu Church South county ya Kisii banarete kubokera egekorwa akiogo ichana nekero bono banyorete umubere bw'omusao yomo ko uri ase egesona kiomo nto oyo mugose amateyamo nekero obagotebona kero kende enyombe yu gose amateyu ngotwarere ekenyenga gose ngoengere amaru nekero bono banyarire goichandira egekorwa ekyo nekero bakuburia ebiombe aho biri bitenete oborai na boigo byogokora obutuki binyare kweneke nga bamanyire ninki kenyarete koirera omusao yo gosirio obogima bwaye asinjira enka abune yo musakeito anko Dipo Nasanya norobotioro asinjira ikobwatia
abamenyi b'ekenyero kia iti kanunde gotoka emenye location ya iranda ebunge ya Kitutu Church South nigo baturwa nege kurege tindi maiga y'omubere bw'omusao yomo bw'emyaka ya igatwa gotoka gesona mwabande bunatokorerwa n'omugambi borogongorwe
Charles Nyamuso umuasisanchi w'iranda erensi ya Nyako location na inderero mambi yabono na nori reportinga omwana okurukwa Dennis Ondieki Omanda otokire bakwete ase compound yoyo mugwe kenyoro yaito na wana ikororo na witness no maene omwana ina bakwete na ende nigakorora kananga no muntu okurwa amanyi kwimyora yemo so naimo keste byo karagiria basigari oikira ase bome iyo twanyorire ngama no muntu inasirete
ngane yiga bono nige ichanetie abanyakenyero maiga y'omusayo moke gosirio obogima bwaye asentera yo botutukano
je nabo kamambi samo ko kamambi getuko asoko genda nje nari gimbo kenchiche mata kinkontiaro le tubusa iga kwane sinde metaise lakini nasi nwakoboka acha konyore simye ko ndangalinga ki inchude ni si ara ile mwafanisi ngo minyoka goje amana nanyo denisi no ara ile gabu ara ile bogeka amanya ngakorumonwa obokima gosigari ete gosigaru katinto manyeti ngo boli fanisi amanyane ngaki fanisi ngaki bono mwana yago kwera gaiga ngagachete na abande bagatira bakamotiga gaiga nchenka bwanko bokare
ekenege ndogete twarorire kebe mwana utari mochege tari kuibera muntu
nanyino boni goba moto gyenye gusira buno mumura bwo mokya
no mwana makumumura nchusi arwete korweto umurugi waye igaba nyorira omwana yomo
ni tugusabe serikali gendere gutokonye chunguse manya ngigete to mwana angu yakari kamarasi ngoni ari necha
watikana nebikora bunga bimwe biga byabere bikoine kigwa email sebinyoro abaoni ebinyugwa bitancheini ngo baba bagosie mwaye kiara
bono ikinege nkibiwo kumiya karekanire onyendi abantu bari kuwanje turi yinji baturanyara komenya ni mugondo nero utawo ninsaye bakora basubike kinye baonye kwabona ibintu bindi mbiro bikoreza sechinda amangana sina kwa manga
baitu banyare gotiga bakori ibintu bindi birabakonye noni kende gyonsi yone para ibintu birakonya abantu kuvuga marua yega
obo tukibono nigo bwachakire eli amate yenye gusira enyare konyora obwene bwaye
we are trying to invest manyanga ngakyumono yare gusira it is said ngomo nonko nyare kamurasi ngabona baite bakali kamurasi ngababo bagasoka ngatamanya ngibagenda guchi ngabanero cyonyore mwana gakwirete geita kiyaye so tinga nyaro kwana kende because ikondiro roro na ndo uchunguzi ngokorwire egere tumanye the bottom line ya mangana ngikia cost makweli umwana Dennis
Uripoteria gitasene kia unambe ya mukorega sekenyorugia iti kanunda egotoka imeye wodia nyakoe ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South ilitedane nkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Ikyo nege korokyo wichana kura ase chinsemecho cha bunge use chinsemecho che wode ya nyakwe na neno kupolianga oboene bonyare egokore nekero iwetinga oboengi obamarugo sekenyenga gekrosu kwa semecho bune yo mancho murigiria ayo onamangana ayo gokumia na gotigana nayo nekero ngokoira wikase bunge ya West Mugirango ime county ya Nyamira nekero bono oyo kabiri omubunge uso mojumbe omukoro obwe constituency yo manyikanite buna omoske Vincent Kemosi asentunda entangane kegima kurwa obochori wo mwaka 2022 anyarte wesokia ritkore goro naboigo koraga ebiara oyore omubunge wechinsemecho chingakichiga omoske Steve Mugaka nekero omoske Kemosi akomuboria Steve Mugaka na akero kinde amagenderero ari abananchi ba West Mugirango bakwene konyora wikira amatuka yega taranyara okoikiranirwa naboigo nigo anyarte korokia gose anyarte koraria nainde eganga yae yo guchakoriga kiroge kyo bujumbe ase bunge yo ya West Mugirango nekero nande akwanerita mangana mange buna ogochamo okomugusi naboigo okwenekia amagendero imeye county ya Nyamira naboigo okobekwa amo kwa ba MCA ase serikali yo ya county ya Nyamira musaketo Fatigad Gisemba norobotiro asinchira ikobwatia
ase entunda entangani kegima nigo oyo kabeire umubunge o West Mugirango moske Vincent Kemosi Mugaka esokire na gukwana maega yigeka ke myaka 3 ase engake yega yonsi nigo moske Kemosi atebire achiete komenta amasomo naboigo komwari bagarigeya umubunge obonoiga omoske Stephen Mugaka kokora emiremo
nje nabwate bintu byane nare okora Kemokiabo after chikura chairete kaina gasoi skuru gukora masters ibono yana kodire
umubunge oyo omukuru nigo akwanira emeroberio area konya babekire ensemo achegwikirania iyo mubunge obonoiga asinyirwe gwikirania
moyo kubeka chistima twabegete na ende gwikrango mwerio rito gochukurwera obisi twakorete sabeyi ye chistima asange sana lakini okuminkoringa pakekero konya twakorire gasi iyo na ende ya ikirenga n'ikibesa cyari kubeku chistima kibekwe umuchungu itochore tu Steve Mugaka taranyara gusuma erindegere chistima kibekwe no ene kitaya nabegete weta erindegere konyora security y'abantu chistima cyose kirimete erebu no muchumbe igagweneta abwatira ne county erindegere ko make sure nga chistima cyongwa kanu kire kipil aseripego koruya korudipea erindegera abantu banyare konyora chistima eyo yonsi gerimete
Hobo tutukanu bobo bagi wechibesa chechipasari ime ya West Mugirango ingana moske Vincent Kemosi poigo ayekwanira ase obwagare
chipasari obo tutukanu bwabeiroro borobo besana igonchira ari kobori umuchumbe nga chibesa ai uchi serikali chiarenge chinyinge sana ekerona arengo bisitu are koewa 137 million ekero muchumbe baswa lero West Mugirango gekonyora karibu milioni 200 nechi pesa chikorwa se chipasari ya wichirange 64 million and yet abantu ba West Mugirango mbai konyora bese icho
ensemo ya siasa nigo moske Kemosi araria buna ere no bubunge bwa West Mugirango arache kurwanirira engaki yobochori obonene
kuna tokonya gusko uchimutua bono pressure na bwate ya keirage enche na iranire ekeroge kya West Mugirango 2027 nonde na kikubo
igoro yechisegi kya Nyamira kati yaba MCA nigo abasemire aba MCA abayiga babeke kitobauti cyabo ensemo na kubakorera umunyamira emiremo
atabiya ma MCA bonspina abasani bane mbayiranga abantu banyamira county n'abantu abariri enchire bakonya gwaki abantu mupira bonspia abantu babarigereretie ase chitimu kiribere onde tayo oro muyakobo oyonde eira ninse toikaranse tugambe erindegere tuigwanane bakorega abantu gasi onye mba igo chigokora igo abantu banyamire gontagete ko baburia ekere goika 2027 onye community bonds piko enda nkaba correct
chingaki echecho oboririe omuguzi omugima koba amo na kumubwatsia matiangi ase kirogo kyomorai omonene bwense
na hende toigwana nirenga bunegeza kyomuguzi itokobeka namo na intu asego ikerence serikali ya igoro na intu to negotiate engakieria yomugusi ari kurwegeceri gokisi ko bono yakoreki na intu nto isane ko gambe nseje taiboigo oise ko rank leadership asa abantu bagambire nseje igoko nyomugusi nero bwate irieta ekere ingaki Fredi abaria
Hiko ripoti ya Getembe kurwase kinyore kiga kiangora rangenyo kegutuka ewodi ya Nyamaya ebunge ya West Mugirange County ya Nyamira Njefatigad Isemba
Mwancho murigereria na sensemo yechiseme nigobono omojumbe webunge ya Burabu omoske Patrick Asero korwa ase county ya Nyamira nere ritukore igoro anyarete kubwatuka chibasari chiseine chishilingi chimilioni 12.5 gocha ase aborokiwa bari bagusoma ase chiskuru chechi secondary ime yebunge yo kagukwana ritukore igoro ase omoyego yo anyarete kwenekiwa nigo nainde anyarete kwerabuna na chiko nache kwenekia na onyare gusira amasomo ase constituency yo ya Burabu nabo igo nanyarete kuboria nga abarimu bae aborokiwa chinga kichinyororo ekero obagoswa ase chiskuru nabo igo nekero nabaibuli nabarabu faringa somo igo yo banyarete gusanga ebirengerere ebyabo musaketo polkapokara norobotiro asinjire kubwatia
omujumbe webunge ya Burabu muske Patrick Osero itukulia lero ni gachaki murubali boko bwatuka chibasari cheche skuru cheche secondary ojia sabana imeye bunge yega ya Burabu echo chisaine chishilingi chimilioni 12.5 okwanekere Osero ni gatebire muna murubali yega ni goratkunyara kobako kubakonya abana kwegendereria muna masomo nabo igo kubakonya abana bali barura ase chiamate chintaka igentatebire buna bali bonse baeligetie Nigorat kunyara kwa bako nyorege kero murubuli nigo koletwe asobwa soku no ekene.
Bazari tegwisa na wana bonzi pi. Wono to kurigiri bari the most vulnerable. Partial orphans na full orphans. Na buto kurarigiri kwanza. Na kitu watu miete aba chief, sub chief nyumba 10 uchinse na bama ete kere kenyoro aba buraka ngayibago toka abana babo. Na buto aete priority entangani. Alafu awande baadaye igo nanate bantu kuisani kikero monto lakini rende style twachirwete this time awondo chenga mararamishi na make kubwa last time
kicho morobali yo igani goikeranwamo na balimu abonene kurwase chiskuru aho ime ye ebunge yega ya Burabu asiboigo abebule obaikirana sanjiga batogyo omorobali yiga na kumwakira ngambi yamono moske Patrick Osero asikijanga ni go murubiriga uratkunyara koba ukubakonya mono
era ningambia mono chi principle cheito abana ke bagire gisukuru keri bairunke begeke kamuranje batige bara abaiko kyagero mwesi mwana kyanyorire
kumwakira mbia mono nandire tumusabire next time round karaire nanda inyora abaiburi jumba ro abataka abana batari kwenyara kero mwana at least ingonyora re basari
nchengo chikwera nilingambo ya mona sengenjo yo mugambi akolire nganengiya asoko tonyorera abana baite pasal na inde nyasaye to kumusabira nyasaye amomente na inde chinga kichinde 2027 na inde tomo amagoro
chipasel yechi ngitokonye asaba chukuru tubwate na baibuli egekogera uchumi ya kongire bona baibuli mbache baigubuye
yabaini karecha abana baende chiskuru abana basome because education no matter is equalizer igekolenganania abana babatachi na abana babataka
nigentu begosera singire na bateba nigara tkunyara kobaga kubeka chiseme mbosio asibiga gendre kobaga kuliranga ibasari hichi abana bari bechi university na begone chi college njiko bato kwa wangomono chinga kenengo era nyara koba ikubato kwa
so lero twa manage kwa abana saidi ya 3 basari kero yomo chiziringi chiri winye ezi chibeze chiaruru serikali ntuganyete chinde tumana korra abubande bechi university na abandi ngana kitoko bakonya because konya abana bariri mono chi principal chari abande bango bata gusika chi skuru mapema so twara to release chibese chi abana bakore skuru tamwe and then tumana koende kuchimotwe igotwa abana zaidi ya 3,000 basa rirero
Egingo ripoteri gataseni kya wanjete kya gatembe kuroiga mehe bunge ya Burabwe county ya Nyamira inchiko ngoro kwa Polycarp okara
umwancho murigiriria gutigana anayo nekira bono egekorwa akiwechania kanyara kwene kwa ase county ya Nyamira somusubati yo masirita Melen Mogaka anyarte kubaga kopitirirwa komwenia ogosego ko rutamara bagochase obwina boyo kabere omusacho nigo bono abagaka wa mwamugusi nyagetinge Heritage Council kwa ase county ya Kisii ritkoregoro banyarete gusangirikana kurwa chinsemo na boigo gukwanera enganeyo nekiro obagi kiretiga korwekyo na goteba iyo tari enchere ero iyo tari enchere ingia yokogendereria egekoro kyo mugusi bagukwana kurwase echinsemo gose kurwase echinsemo chiricha marani me county ya Kisii na boigo nigo banyarete goteba baria bonsi banyarete goikirania egekoro ekyo gose banyarete komoa ebiboko umusubati ori banyare ko imukirwa egetambukiro egetindi umusakito Daniel Ontiri na robotiro asinchira engekirano
Evideiga yabwatetwe n'omworoki wa gekorokia umusubati Melen Mogaka kurwa ria mabeya imiye county ya Nyamira kagosusurwa nakubutererwa kuruta maraba asembera chinga kicho komoenia omugako niging'aneiga yagendire kumusebirengererie binge nabange nigo bagenderete koyigikiria bunanonye abakagerwa batangire nabo bisa babanyimbo ababwangoiga nabagaka bamwamugusi nyegetinge Heritage Council abasanga negetaseni kyagetembe asensemo yenyebunge imeye wodi ya sensi ase county ya Kisii abo batuleka chinkore nago kigikiria ne chinguru chigoro
rero unatwatege ikarege kyabagaka usanga amabana akorekanire gusiye ito aramabe twayakane nako yagikiria wetira kimuma cy'umugusi
bakoragwa na Joseph Zakari Mirangani nigo bamentabuna hasi gekoro kisababu ncyarengoro cyarenge gutanga umusubati taro tamaraba bunanonye banchaine no mugakoye uyosire nabuna korutamaraba negetambukiro yokogania koligia masesenia yoli orarire natali kebetererio
bitango byarenge gutuka roro yarenge konyarekana nga murugioye tamuruterite maraba kosatageti komurutera maraba ebitange ebi ekemokiabo nigo kiarenge nga omong'ino oyo neboeranetie tararumute igoro etango kende nigo kiarenge nga omong'ino oyo nare engaki yaye yabang'ina eyaikire tarenge gwancherwa erieko bakero mutienyi tarenge gwancherwa ruta maraba
bamentabuna ebikore bingabune ebyo nabibyagendire kwirira chimbwa chitabwenereti asiliroba lya Gusii naigo mbibwenete kugikirwa asibabyeka chinguru eng'anabuna abakagerwa abo batukwe nakoimukirirwa egetambukire getindi keri chiko
ekero kware konyora ng'a umugaka umwana oyo chiro nyorire asumenyire basinyaniro sokiro chirao oirwe ng'ombe tare kuri mai chabere naenda tikubate ng'ombe ya kabire chine chimuma rekorete inka omugaka kikwairwe nyora nemburi tibweba naendo bwateri chonde ria kabire kurwande nsemo kwaimire gesa kwekyo noro rirwansi rwasirire
ori ng'ombe chiaye chiamane twe nere omonyene omusubati oyo kabere ori noyo bwama oyo kabere nere okoiraneri guchiombe oyo mutang'ani ng'ombe nchianya koiranigwa
nkuruboterega seni kyagetembe kurega se county ya Kisii litrene nguruko Daniel Ontiri
Moncho morigerea gotigana anayo yegekoro kyumugusi nande bono ase siasa ya county ya Nyamira nigo abamenyi be county ya Nyamira korwa chinsemo banyarete kwesokia ritukore igoro na gusanga ebirengerero byabo nekero bono bamomochirie moseneta we county yo moske okongo mugeni bakuburia nga ekiro kenene robeire egakoreta omuchanda se county yo nga nigabirika kumurwane umugabana omuske Amos Nyaribo eyo yairire amagendero nabo igo umurembe gutanekiwa ase county yo ya Nyamira.
Nchama ene ngigwete no eno gukura nkure. Nkisene ta ko bori gavana. Ata gutiga gavana ko ligasi yaye. Nere keraga ni chinga kichiaye onye toko mochora nera akore. Tiga ne gavana pi akore gasi yaye una tuwa mwaete.
Mana tokoliwo. Obuya wakei. Kini obuya into bana intoro bali to anyorire amagendero amusi sineta babu atire ndo akora. Lakini amangana rago chakati lioma na kongo mugeni ne sineta bakoerera. Abono bnante ne inega onte nine kwaniapa na nata banje numu nyagitari na ende na kuriga sikenyengi. Na ende nakabile examen. Amangana angu kana kongo mugeni. Nubwate boundary yao une sineta.
Ono amangana na igwete igoro are senate ntoko kirinaro amangana mo seneta kwanete mo seneta igaguchana na umugabano itobobe intutageta umugabano itoribaga akore gasi yaye bono ngo endara matanga chinse guchirogoro ari guchisoborogoro tana goja matanga ga maintwa atoero ngoriende toigwa mangana gukwana igakwe bacha ogenda isiko guchikwanira mangana amusia gutarira
chipache tibungare techibese ground ya twanya kora beseke ere kare bisete twanya kumubodi maswali ya itigache ga ground data tena kyatagi nandonya gataite kirokyo bagabana tigate gara 27 ntoi balirigo na intutoroche binkos bigo koregas nero raro nero manne nero takir kubanga mata account
ono namangana abayo kurutwa ya gukorwe radio mambia ngo musene tanko yone ya bali ne gavana gavana ne bwate gasi ya yokora no musene tanko bwate gasi ya yokora uyere tu amuyuro kirenga ki amatanga wapi iwe gavana kurwana tuanye ko moyo wago che gusarangiriya abantu bukutano atotebyo umucyando we n'urugiyo
Mwancho morigere na sensemo ya magendero nigo bono ababwatani kuro ase eskuru emanyakanite buna ria Nyanchavera Mixed Secondary School igotoka ime ye bunge ya Bomachoge borabo county ya Kisii bono banyare ko murunganiria okoba obobegwe skuru yo nekiro bakubulinga nonye chiabisi use amagacho ye skuru yo onsi teikereti ekerengo keria keganire nabo igo kobwatekana gose omo oyore omwarimu munene abweskuru yo omanyekanete buna Kennedy omoyo gakoerera na egetaseni kiga kiagetembe nigo anyarete goteba buna nigo obari bare abarai guse babere nonya bajumbe ase chinsemecho korwa amatuka magera babere bakombia eskuru yo nganonye gwikira boniga nonye oyore omojumbe bunge yo ya Bomachoge borabo muske no fason obadia abarongo nganonye nere taranyara kurigereria eskuru yo nekero obakuboria nga abarai abo banyare koyerigerera nabo igo kwenekia nga amagendera nyare kwenekiwa ase skuru eyo elio gokonya gose gosira aborokiwa bonsi bari bararoro banyare kwenyorera chisemi buna aborokiwa bechi skuru chinde.
Tumekuwa na wajumbe watatu tangu these classes zimekuwa condemned. Wajumbe ni watatu. The late Onyanja, God forbid. Tumekuwa na Professor Ogutu. Sasa tuko na Mr. Barongo. Hawa ni wajumbe watatu. Kila mjumbe tumejaribu sana kumuelezea kwamba tumekuwa na shida hapa. Deleito Onyanja akawaturumia kidogo, akatusaidia na CDF money, tukajenga madarasa matatu upande ule. Sasa Ogutu alikataa, mwenyewe niliona akikataa. He almost abused the former principal wa shule nikiona tukiwa magina principals meeting na members of the boards sama shule hapa akakataa kuja, lakini kichina chini alikuwa anajua shule iko na shida, ilikuwa imecrack almost all over.
As the current board tulienda kwa mheshimiwa sisi wenyewe tukapata yuko kwa boma yake huku Riyabu, we made the effort. We went to the office. Actually, we've gone to the office twice. We met the fund manager there. He told us to hand over the proposal, which we did. Then later, like 2-3 months later, we followed. We didn't get our file in the office. We took like 20 minutes. The fund manager asked for a clerk for a secretary to look for the file. Finally, it was gotten. Tukapata vile proposal tulikuwa tumeandika, akasema sasa wacha ikae hapa. That was 2023, around July, August. So the whole of last year, again we decided to go. We have been having a challenge of teachers. And being a small school, you see even facilitation is a problem. Tukaanza kung'ang'ana kidogo kwenda county kutafuta mwalimu. Tukaidiwa venye tuliaidiwa, lakini finally tena we made a trip to CDF office.
Today night, when we woke up in the morning, we found my office fallen down. One of the walls facing the edge went down. I want to say the office plus other classes have been condemned. They have been having clerks all over, and they are posing danger of falling. There was a public health report that was done, and I received it on the 20th last week. The report condemned the classrooms, it condemned my office, and it condemned the girls' toilets. They are in bad situation. It also condemned the kitchen. The report gave us 14 days to act on the condemned facilities. So we have few days so that we rectify the situation. And because of that, I had to call the board to urgently meet on Thursday, that's the day after tomorrow, to discuss on this report.
Mwancho murigereria gutigana nayo kurasirira ba ariagusi nekira bono abamenyi we county ya Nakuru bakorawa no moseneta we county eyo marekanite na omusubati Tabitha Karanja banyarire kwemurungania nga omugavana we county eyo musubati umusike Susan Kikatarabaga kororagana gose taiyo ase county eyo amagendero kiragendete kwa nikiwarro nigo obono yore omukonyoye gose omukonye obumugavana ase chinsemecho omusike David Konesa nyare kumwegera mugavana Susan Kika kagoteba nga nonye omugavana taiyo ase county eyo amagendero nagenderete ase kwaneki wase chinsemo nabo igonga mochando nitoyo gose mugwatoyo otigarete ase county eyo ya Nakuru kubwatikana no gotabaroro como governor Susan Kika. Governor Susan Kika ni kare sincere ya America nekiro bono ase are ase leave yaye ya maternity nekiro nonye abasubati bari me ye bunge banyarite kumwigera na bro bagoteba ni gobono ari omwibori gose ni ganyara konyora abana chibarongo nekiro arigetie kwe wachingaki aranyara akorera abana amanya koirana gukora imirimo ase county eyo ya Nakuru.
I'm always there 24/7 kumsaidia gavana wetu. And I'm going to do all what it takes to make sure that her agendas are accomplished by all means. I know quite a number of people are talking, but they want to remain relevant anyway. They want to remain relevant. Whatever they are talking, they are only just talking, but not knowing what they are talking about. All the devolved functions of the county, they are going on very well.
mwancho murigeri ayunaro na kwariganite asensemo yi kiunga chinsa ikomnevere chapono mambi na kirondo chinga ana bagende tukorika ujumbe chabo gochaiga ase studio chinsemo chiri cha Facebook na boigo witirano nye ni namba yesimi buna bono momanyere mumanyi koro chinsemo chanyanchonori ndochinga anawatingana aiga entindi kigima ekirawote banwari meyo murobiri na zipora oye ikawote banga nigo nkumetie ase abantu bagutenena kogikiria omoseneta wa Nyamira igoro oyo mugavana Nyaribo nande nekera gotemwa mugavana Nyaribo tarakora kende pi Okongo omoseneta Okongo ta chainse tigana naba fatarochi eki bagokora nekera bokire na bande aigando chabokia kasam omusore bwegesumo chokoro nyancho kari ali mosioma na bande abange nikakoboria nga abaiga bonsi bakendete kogikiria omoseneta bwe county ya Nyamira na kero kende tiwa manyiti ngo moseneta niga agenderete kubegerera yo niga akubwatirania esiasa entindi agendete kwanikiwa ase county yo ya Nyamira oyo okorokunga Moses Manyaro no ale imeyo morobere na Isaya Martin na boigo oyo koroka Kevin Ondieki Dennis Mukaya na boigo ndotenga Dennis Mukaya Kevin Ondieki niga gotebanga good morning to you. Dennis Mukaya gotebanga good morning to says have a blessed day. Mbia mono kigima Daniel Igisore na Edwin Omwenga no bare ime yo morobere na ne nkobairanira mbia mono kigima Alex Mauti gotebana kuro Maroki si county no nde ime yo morobere na Pastor David Mauti Inyakweba mbia mono kigima na Nyabocha Boazi Marendi Vale Shiko na boigo abande abangi avuntanyare gosoma boniga no bare meyo morobere Nyasimi Obadia niga gotebanga a good morning to you. Baraka ya kwanza siku zote ni kuamka. Nga baraka ya kwanza siku zote ni kuamka. Mbia mono kegema na Vanilla Ven nere ndo chako temanga good morning to you dada Kemi siku njema mami. Mbia mono sana naye otuare erituko origia abo negati ya bari bakendete kutuma ujumbe chawase omutanda ulio Facebook na endo chenga jeria keruba gotebanga kurwa Bahrain no ale ime na last born wa Kemi agoteba kurwa Isani kesaba kwa etundu bari kitutu masaba agoteba pamoja nalo Empire agotebanga anazidi kuwepo na wakilisha LD nalo Empire hatuogopi hasira timanyanga ningo bwate asira gusi ningo morete ira asira nalo Empire goteba no ale ime umoroberio Teresa Kemuta agoteba kire Matilda amo mbia mono kigima na Alex Mauti nere no agoteba obokire bya Winnie Mora ningoroche Kevin Ongwae na boigo Samuel Mose mbia mono kegima 04 Obaga na boiga nara igukwerukirita nyango ya Lamek Moriasi rieta ritindi ikegima ritandirabo akoruka ritangani korinde mbia mono sana sevari mwensi mukenderete kurika ujumbe chaino wochaiga ase studio nekero litukori arero timbati omugano omotambe kero kende sengenjo yebiro nande litukori juma ntori ko chitwata kachi story chinyinge nga litukori arero nataka kora ligereria oyo kabere omobunge wechinsemo chiri cha Kitutu chache kose ekero bono ensemo takonyara Kitutu etaranyara kubaganwa se chikaunti chiga county ya Kiseneri ya Nyamira ndochenga Dr. Zakari Onyonka nande ninginda kwandere omoske Zakari Onyonka oyo ni garenge tato mwabo gusenga nere ore tato mwabo Muske Richard Onyonka oyore omoseneta bwe county ya Kisii korinde Dr. Zakari Onyonka ninki kirokende kiagerete akanara kochi nkuma kanyara kumanyakana higente gitangani ni garenge omukusi omutangani kigima konyorera PhD osama somari amanyakana tenga akanyora title ya doctorate igo Zakari Onyonka ni garenge omukusi omutangani kigima konyorera PhD korwaiga ase eriroboria gusi korinde ni gasomerete chinse echa Michael nande igento kende ngeringa kero kende ase emiaka ekerarenge omobunge ase chinse mecho cha Kitutu West gose ya chete nande ekaro kwa Kitutu chache nigo ndochenga nainde omusike Zakari nanyarite ngakine raroro abekire ebyara akanyara gwakirwa chikura akabwa chikura kare ase ejera omonto abwatire ejera lakini onyara gwakirwa chikura nande oira omoncho omorigere nigo aiborete omwaka o 1939 na boigo akanyara gusiria obogima bwaya ase omwaka o 1996 korende ase amang'ana aria agesiasa korwa 1939 ekero abwate emiaka ng'e 25 27 ndoche buna gose koreng'ana na information eri available nigo ndoche omosike Zakari arenge egati kosenero renge omobunge omokepi ase chingaki echo ng'a he was the youngest MP ase chingaki echo ase omwaka 1969 nigo arenge omwanasiasa omokongo nande orenge omojumbe na boigo akanyara gokora emiaka ase emiaka emenge kegima akuru mwaka 1969 mpaka 1996 niga arenge omojumbe. You can imagine omuntu okorete ang'e emiaka 27 arenge omobunge ase korwasa orugongo orwa Gusii nekero tokorigeria amang'ana ya education akomanyire niga asomete ase chinse chia moiko gose ase ebirengo biri bia igoro amasomo buna bono ekero agosa university akonyora degree entang'ani akonyora nonye agosomera nonye masters niga asomete ase chinse chia moiko nabo igo kobwatekana na oroboti nakoreterete last week rwaye omosike Tom Mboya eng'ana eri yarenge gose ase amang'ana ari arenge gokonyeka amang'ana ntwabate program yamanyekanete buna airlift eyo yara gokonya aborokigwa bari bagusa ase university korwa ase orogongo oruiga rwa Africa ya mocha banyara kogenda chinse chia ng'umbu gose banyara korina chindege bairuruka enyoni bagenda gokonyora amasomo ase chinse chia ng'umbu ng'a Zakari Onyonka nigarenge egati ya bari banyarete gokonyeka gwetera omoroberi oyo ochagetiwe enere Tom Mboya igo bono omoroberi oyo omanyekanete buna student airlift ase emiaka eyo ya 1960 nero yamokonyete nero agachikometera amasomo ase chinse chia moiko ndoche ng'a ase amang'ana ari yobowaziri omosike Zakari Onyonka nanyarete kora ase chiwizara gose nenyorete ribaga rinene kigima ase chiwizara tokorige buna bono the Ministry of Education ewizara eri y'amasomo nanyarete kobera aro korwa omwaka 1980 goika omwaka o 1985 na boigo akanyara gotenera gose kora ase chiwizara chinde chinyingi buna bono eri y'amang'ana a trade gose obonchoreria eri ya foreign affairs gose eri ogotenera amang'ana ye chinse chesco ntobwate ewizara yarenge eri ogodili na amang'ana economic planning and development boigo akanyara gokora ase amang'ana a information and broadcasting agaswa ase wizara yobochenu na boigo nakorerete ene wizara ya research science and technology igonga ebinto nebinga anyarete kokora nabo igo ase nsemeri yoboremi nanyarete konekia ng'a ekerengo gose ebirengo biri yoboremi anene mono bwekawa nechae ase nse ya Kenya bianyarire gukiniwa musike Zakari Onyonka niganyarete konyore PhD yae gose PhD yae korwa ase school yamanyekanete buna Rockefeller Foundation eyuere university enene kigema ase ense na boigo nebinto binde binge nande binto kike kero kende Zakari yanyarete gokora biare kogera auchinkuma gusaka manyekana kigema engaki moske Simon Nyachae arenge asoburai ndochenga Zakari mpanyarete gutwara okongusanana na boigo bakanyara kobanga tibari kuigwana chinkwana ase amang'ana ari agesiasa nekiro anyarete koboria gose kero kende anyarete gotebanga omusike Simon Nyachae ng'ana abwate amang'ana gete atarenge komogokia ikairera Zakari Onyonka agachakachi campaign chintindi kegima chokomorwania omusike Simon Nyachae na boigo buna nakomanya ekero ng'a oyomo nare onyarete gosira ng'a gose omonto nare onyarete gosira nande otarenge ng'ana omusani oyo batarenge kuigwana kigima onyarete gosira obogima bwaye ase chikuru ase chinsemo chiri achia Kisumu korende bagakagera ng'a kero kende Zakari Onyonka nere nababwatani bae banyarete kwenekia ng'a oyo iga onyarete gosira obogima ekikeirerete Zakari Onyonka kobekwa biara korende nekero abekire biara ase omwaka o 1983 obochoria kero bwanyarete gokorekana nanyarete koba gose gotangazwa ng'a nande onyarete kobwa chikura nonye obekire biara korende kero yatoka ng'a evidence tigarenga arore isaine nanyarete kobwatokwa nabo igakairana gokorera abagetutu ba acha abagetutu bachache emirimo nekero boigo kukomanyanga nigo anyarite gusiria obugima bwae ekero anyarite konyora umuchando omokego soboroire obuboire tere gusiria obugima bwae kare ase echinsemo chiria chia United Kingdom gusense ya United Kingdom ekero akonyora obuwena somako yo 1996 nekero bono ndochenga magiga yere gusekera nyara gusiria obugima bwae no yo nyarite go take over ekero by elections chakoretu gusopo chorio boke nere omayakarete na omoske Jimmy Nuru Angwenyi ase omwaka oyo o 1996 na abo igoto gukwandira bono ekero chi constituency chiga chacha kubagano constituency ya Kitutu Chache South ndochenga nonye no mumroye omoske oyo re bono iga omoseneta we county ya Kisii omoske Richard Onyonka nigo anyarire koba kusanyara koba omojumbe ase bunge ya Kitutu Chache South akoromaka obochori bomwaka 2007 obochori bori bwa 2013 na boigo obwa 2017 igo nigabete nga omoske Richard Onyonka nere nigo anyara koba omojumbe ase miaka 15 moncho morigereria abuno nache gukorera ase nseme yega yekeonga chinsa 12 nekirondo chingana abange kigema bagendete kominyokia igabuna Eriko Soro agoteba korwa Kisii County nande agoteba nware ime yomoroberio chinsemo chiri icha Kiumbu Edwin Omwenga korwa Kiserian agoteba watching live Matilda Mbia mono kigima Frederick Ogembo agoteba korwa Nakuru City ako tuned in live Dominic Oirere korwa Abonyang Bonyakera agoteba bumukora omonene otubukire buya mono kigima bali mwensi mwabukiwe no monguru tura abande tema wakano etisimi nyara gutaga abande manyanga gose mbia ababukire emambia bono anko ino mutima komoke elinde toirane neresa mienda ne chigazeti cheri tukoria rero.
Amarietane neri kimisuko na eri kimisuko no manyagetaria imeye nyagetaria nugapesi ni nyagetaria gotoka somo chobosongo ebwato obokoreri bwayo buya kigima na kobwamone gotumeka chimashini chekerero echi chiarure korwa sense ya South Korea nugapesi etobwato obokoreri boito gaiga na kobwamone twakonyiro mugusia asa atambe twaberire gaiga ase getambe korwa mwaka 2018 mugusi onde bwensi obwate mechando wao unabono mochando bwegetekio mogongo gugwatia amagora kobimba mochando bwa arthritis manyinga waka igoro mochando bwa sukari amona moroira manga arese mebere yeito oitana ni nyagetari chinyinge nendo taranyoro bobwenia ne sengenjo ataratarire nyagetari to yanuga pesi elinda nyoro bobwenia obwega boito aiga nuga pesi ntori kobara ntori kobete sindani ntori kwa Mario Gandon siyo kobekera chemicals omubere etogo koa obobwenia boito bwekerero obwo bogotumeka chimashini na kobwa mono chindetere chiana no Diamond Tomenium
nilitariana igongoro kumera ni kwambuka one gento na rochege kone igo na nyore to buruire mwaka 2002 oburuire obuna akire korinya getari na irunya getari paka bwasinyire bono ngoteba ngonde bwensi ura toke ngana no buruire buno bobwa mauga boko bimbio mubiro yo gwati wotari korara era tigaike gaige nyagetari anu ga besti elinde mokonde muno anjibute nga yankonyire tinare kunyara konchole bigoti na gwe kumba lakini bono kunyara konchole bigoti nyibwete nga bono ngo na gwende ngo gwe nande bono
Samarieta kongoro kwa Esther Nyarik ayande ngoro ku Madam Director korwa se enyagitari ya Nuga Best nogo tonyora asama gacho Ourutawas second floor Tirongo yakabere kegusi twakwariganirie togokonye omobero obe buya amanyinga atare buya omobero ore buya noro kunyara kurigia enibo Nuga Best nige gotoka asama gacho Ourutawas ye building yege sinyaine Mteira igotore Kenya Women igoro Tirongo yakabere egento ndakikishere omogusi yo minto Nuga Best nero yokere aso mochio bosongo timo ngaineka emekoro ne menge yachire se chinambe china chinaba obwenete gutwakira tuba obushauri boisaine motonyore tubakonye twakonyira abange
asamange nabuko bakirisi gwetira chinamba cyabo 0700260518 gose 0784955717 gose 0705860053 Nuga Best gotanga mbuya kubwako gwenya. Gusi bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibia wanje Tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 egoki nimrulu ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuli mienzi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas ama no kuchingira ku mwaka muya ili wego kinemrulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia Momogusi.
Enyagitari ya Self-Care Medical Center asentunden tangane aseriro bariegusi nigo egokoretera a free general medical camp terike merongebere na isana isatu merongebere na kendani terike merongo etatu chumutinyiga ogatatu omukoyega asenyagitari yo inkibarabe bakurigereria general consultation mangana maino mangana maiso mother child health was MCH na go family planning na yande amange incho umerne na manyagitari koro chinsi chomoiko na isko yelireba yegusie inyorega uchakerense ya mwika chinsa kende chemugazo ajirege kugera nabo oranyorwe neribaga incho origererigwe oringurigwe obosape as a free general medical camp asamange bakira simia number 0799747414 onde orinaiguri riasha inchuli tukerio oiranerigwe ekwera abamanyi basha mbatuke asensemeyo Silver Care Medical Center igere mbarabare ne kanisa yagekomu SD asumuche umwembe.
Eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatoka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere e company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isia ebintu bilia bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuligo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase chinamba chabo 01111615 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ase ogo design, print, na boigo brand, gwakero chibiche, na boigo videography, KC Printing Hub, KPH, nintwe abanyankongo asorongo iriga, incho KC Printing Hub, asokoro saligwa chibana chonsi, chibene chirorabo sebana chinde chonsi, chisignages, chibene cha 3D, nintu number AMO. Ogo apply chi passport, na boigo chi visa, ogo print, na kurosi chi diary, chi t-shirt, chi hoodie, chi kobia, amaburi, chi reflector, ebikombe, chi wristband, amo nechi chuba chi amache, as graphic designing, as chi poster, chi flyer, funeral programs. Kerota dari kweba chi magazine, ajirago cha eger toko konya, nka intogo toka, ase mitandao tonyore, buna KC Printing Hub, ase ogo cha aschebeshito, Tori Sansara Complex Center Fast Floor kusotwa Kresimi ase namba 0727 026368 kuse 0115 541502. KC Printing Hub KPH, we are the best. Why choose the rest?
HK International Medical Center ni nyegitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo yugo tumika chimashini chinkongo asukumureka amarwire ao nago kwa ubugwenia wetera asi amariogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigo bakubwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure, arthritis, cancer, chinyigo, imichando yichinguru chabagaka, ubugomba, gati yayande amange.
Incheno manyagitari irinike maubanye, omo director bwa nyagitari tukoroka HK International Medical Center erega yugo muchuito bosongo na inde ni gonta getoko bariga ni mono sana na kubatebinga ni gotogo ba services chiekerero tugotumia ubobwenia bwekerero e technology yo kurigererio mugero omugima na inde twarigereria ngambi mo kibiri byasero twaro mo chanda twakwa amariogo na amarioga yaito ni gotunya rusiti ase chinsi chesko ao na inde ni gare habo ayuto kurusi ase chinse buna bono kurustura marioga sense ya Hong Kong eyeri ni China na marioga ande ni goto kurusi sense ya Malaysia ayande kurustura sense ya Spain na ayande ni goto kurusi sense ya California Los Angeles California in USA marioga ande na to kurusi somo chyo India na ayande ni goto kunyarusi sense ya South Africa ayana ara marioga kunyara gusibia umuchando yikorwa somo bero na ende nonya ni gokuru mwaka 2011 twabere tukubweni abantu abange nande nigare habo tabwatia ni side effect yara kolentere kiagera na yemete igo karibu sana asenye gitari yetu ya HK International Medical Center
nabo okubanyora ase enamba 0717176383 HK International Medical Center inchuo onyore obugwenia.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bago kolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho teberie kende gensi uraganie bago teberie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuwe gabwate chi pro Proval net gauges au unabono mbabwata normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwata Dumrang ayuari ayechigage emeronge tato asama bati alia ayechigage emeronge bire na isaro na isato mbabwata tile Provals alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwata lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design mbabwata ligani kabwata chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue, na wigo na Green. Obutambe bwe mabwati liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer. Mbabwati bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwati liga ase nyumba yao. Tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom. Onyari kabo gokwerera amabwati yu akomenya sigika. Ayo guchani warrant na wigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango. Edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom. Wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra sechi namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Mwancho mwarigere karibu sana nekero togoso asensemo echi gazeti torenere mienda samo litiko oriarero litiko ria juma una nakumanya mwancho mwarigere litabwati litutagetia mangana mange ndochenga kero kende timana arari samwa ariganetia semambi yabo no ayiturachi gusanga naye omwancho omwarigereri sam wakire
bya sana Matilda. Nchembi yande tuwapokire lero Friday. Unajua Friday ni siku ya sherehe mingi. Wiki yako era ina style na nedi tukeri ko machikobali ke ringi asama tukonsi. Esenge nchonga and you remember we are heading to the end month one. Ikabona abantu nabaga wakate. Lero Friday and being a Friday ni siku fupi na siku ya mipango. Aba SDA bona liba konya kurogolinga kimambe wako cha kwende kanisa. I think it has been a global something of youth. Abasai. I think they have been having that week. So tomorrow they are crowning
prayer week, a youth prayer week for the SDAs.
So I think mambe bako ye crown. I have never attended because of work. Lakini rende mamengo atendinde bali ntumba litokukora
natukambuliri swali
boli
kurende sam ahene water because of work nataka kura kanyoni ng'abantu mbare babere ti story njire twabere tokwerwakoranya chinse cyabande onyoranga omukenya ochire okorire byakorire bitage atakire ko ngento umetinjire gayoko okonyora omonto agokumero ng'aitu goikogokwa mpaka musibalende kwere yake.
You know, abantu mbale bagakora ebintu binde you find usituri konyora sababu bagakorera ebintu buna bono. Are you talking about Nduta man nani? Ndutanche gento ndatebe.
Yes.
Even if tumurusi ali sense ya Vietnam tumurete. Onya karo musali no musaliale wacha hukumiwa hapa Kenya aserve that sentence because she's guilty of doing that. Okay, again take even getting no go ito mundo karo kine again take same thing to what happened in Nyamira, it's a talk of town. Go ito mundo is wrong. Lakini rende much as omonyo mundo gosire tabwe ntugo itu lakini let reach ikoliteke it's part. Twarora abantu abange hande yonde na hukumie tu by the way kuitwa.
Obwanete kuitwa last year Stephen Munyao ama Munyako.
So much as we are concerned no kuitwa, let us also be concerned when someone is guilty. Tigatomorete to the authorities of Kenya, taringa tomo freeing abono ta face the law. Let someone face the law, but rende abo kuitwa no to draw the line.
Ase kero nalgo chaka nenyoranga kero kende ense abande tali asoko gendo chiko gotie na bunota gete nataka ugana nga ense abande kena magesa vile kero kende nao bwanga ke usie ke bono lakini napokere igo
and we cannot avoid about take usie when it is time to correct take usie geito tieto kebeke mesa ura abantu bakenyore ense abande kena magesa vile
nengane nkongo ekero omuntu orobande kose gwatevwa lakini abande maragope gosi bono tiri go apply gaiga ese abande tali asoko gendo chigotawala gendo chikogenda kubeka amabaka kwebwatira ribaga gose kwebwatira kerio tagete ase chinjira chitari chindonge omancho mureno kuborenga bari bonsi umete tubwate fans abange sana bakurose chinse buna chiri cha Gulf mbare bakurose ense buna Bahrain mbare Lebanon mbare Saudi Arabia bona kero konyoranga bare asense buneri mpabwante kubwatia machiko ye chinse echo obare konende samuri tkorera nanene kero nari kurigiria barai gusomanya kumurikira barai abakoro tokonya koiranya nari gukwanda Dr.
Daktari Zakari Onyonga nero mugusio mutangani pi konyore PhD mugusio mutangani Daktari Zakari Onyonga akabuga hapo kachikura college ya by this ekore kigia kore kanete kero barengas chi campaign because umurwana ririyo yo monene Don Bosco konyoro kore campaign yabwe Onyonga nera gacha gwako yakere ndekoko kero acha omungwana narota tukumobito muyo karata kumobito muyo lakini abantu barende baye bagaika kumorra bwango bakamukonya bakamurushya kalini we matatu akaramu nyoki guchisune kamate egere amabirira yora pungwa kidogo Mungu ano nabage tu amasasi ikagera nga karabu watu guchejera bwate kana nega korekyo Dr. Zakari Onyonga was one of the leaders kurichinse mu cyagusi batabwate ubwamatobuya na the former Nyaribari Chache MP
Simeon
Nyachae because of ngakinere kereke monkeri kiarenge mbabwate ekyobete bare kweruka the O's the 4 O's yarenko Onyonga obure I think ninginyura abande bare go di campaign Nyachae konyora na dia beire ne chinguru che serikali bono konyora robeiri acha koni chama ya kanugo cha saba gusi bone government ya tete kumotumeka uchakoreta rende enchire ywe gochaga gasoro kongurwa gusi so but we had the Kebirigo declaration whereby Onyonga was one of those guys bali pegete mirobirende yo gukora Nyachae siasa so they were not good in barenge ase
ubuyana siasa mbarenge
kuibwana. So Dr. Zakari Onyonga for the longest time he had served in many ministries. Na served in ministry foreign affairs amangana ye foreign affairs na yanda mange ayu maybe ni nyakwan baadaye kurende na served sana as government yo musike Kenyatta and of course
Daniel
Moi no muntu aminikete sana as in terms of leadership. Despite the fact nga nasi betu jela but karwa jela higa etu minister nande garengo mosa mokasana remember that but he had worked so but 1996 akanyara kabaga ko siri mabwaye tukanyoro mujumbe Jimmy Angwenyi uchize kwera and baadaye omwana oye uyekoro ku mwana wa Tarasia that is our able senator Daktari
Richard
Onyonga na chitaka bo mujumbe akaireria baga ria ise oyukuruku Daktari Zachary Onyonka. Up to now, still the Onyonka norire ase Kenyan, the Kisii politics.
Now, what do we learn from these stories? Umete kiro kinena umancho murigera abega kwebolinga ki aja nero yokunyagote gochi story chi abara ebe etire. If you look at the way abara yabo baringe okora ibintu byabo ekiro konyora umurayo yo mobuno yiga na kunerete chi wizara witani nonye more than ntogoteba 5 wera bina mbenke abete asichi ministry o chire ikenonye ikomi gose gwitane ige minetinga taribu na mantuka yego konyorongo omuntu onyorire kiro geke mugose ne kyobo bunge omuntu oba ochigesara tari kubwateka kwanyora omurayo nyorire obeire gose na asichi ministry bere tari guikereka tari kurambare koranga obeire omonene onye kubwa serikali bona ekiro tukuri yabaraya bagaba koro anamuno buna uyiga kurwase orugongo rwagusi nkonyora torenga amangana nare agotwa moyo konyora ngano nyabantu bali bagukina bono ngati en given age abo konyora omuntu kwanyorire gose gwaikire kerengo gete otaka gira sobugima bwao.
So again, the relevance of these stories, and I've done some of them. Na korato yo Nyachae, yo Anyona, and Daktari Zachary Onyonka mwenyewe, na abandi. The relevance toko nyora kurwa se chi story chiga, chiri chiakare, iko toko tema kurire nga kyuburai, au nga kyuburai buare korokana,
chinga kichiri,
nga kibuwa bere transformed, kaitu arure, kaitu ikiri mpaka bona astu ikiriga. Matilda, you can tell that abarai bakare, you could admire abarai bakare. Why? They had a discipline of leadership. Buna inchebono, nintete kobo morai in one day or one time. If today you ask me my role models, nabonda atuara bange, but aba bange ngo pick some characters that are full in that. But you can tell montona umwana na aragate uso montona aragate binga inchengu admire Simeon Nyachae. Inchengu admire Daktari Zachary Onyonka. Why? That you come admire Kieni Goseki. You come admire because of how
he portrayed
leadership.
Especially in some ministries, okonyoranga ministry nere kirokendo umura ibuno yokonyora atachite egatwara omongso okorige una Dr. Fred Matiang'i ekira sote as a ministry na education igatigete legacy abantu bate
igatigete legacy sikuzi chibas cheskuru go chingali ritoka ritoboga gusi, and that is a simple
tarigusi Kenya ngima,
of course Kenya ngima, but that is a sign of ketori kesukari kyagusi yaso ne kamata. Okay, by the way, so what I was saying, we could admire those leaders because of ebiorokeri example chingia bona Nyachae, you can tell enjirare tomugusiamo, and we have not ever had that unity goikera bono iga. I'm not rubbishing off abarai babon, of course imbaro nechinga kingonya go change generation ingonya go change, but at the end of the day we have something we refer to those leaders bakare muna bono Zachary Onyonka. You can tell nga aga itreta mange ngakiri they had issues na mangana echibesa nchiarenge nyinge amangana bantu riko nyorambara soma mono so enchira abantu
bakarengere abantu obatari abantu batasometi ukekerengo kyae na bado akasabu sichi ministry nyingi akakore mirimo yarenge incredible.
That was a show of patience. We call patient na abantu abaiga and kwa manyanga kyoko baira na ubaletereta monchiro ya matangani asorogonguru agusi. So what we admire in them is the hard work and the spirit. Bahabigete asokoreta monchiri asoronguru agusi. We are enjoying some of the things because of abarai barengo kare. Baba Nyachae, baba lero igototete koreto bomubumu gusi. Who do we refer? Simeon Nyachae. We are saying about bunabono to torocho bachori. Everyone is talking about it like yomugusi ose chama yomugusi oso bomubumu gusi. Who do we refer? Nyachae. So meaning that if they were not there, we couldn't have monto. So when we have these stories, a good number of them, and they bring a relevance but at the end of the day you achieve what you want in life.
Nande tukurigire gati yabara yaba gusa abange babo abaga nemono bakorete emeremo chinga kibuna chiricha the colonial times gusa period okonyora abange bali babwate chinguru gusa banyale tugutena kigima mpaka nonyense ya Kenya kanyora omorembe kanyora obosibore abange babo. Do you know that yaba sireti amagima batarikano y'imyaka 60
abantu
sireti amagima bari bwate miaka 34
34,
39
30.
abasaya bake sana korende it's funny almost everyone had a family okori
had a
metama tukawa abango ikasa konyoro musaya bwate omuntu bwate miaka 34 wakati mwingine abokonyora nawe tarareta abantu lakini abaraia baiga bakorekero kubarikiriria abange baombasirete amagema lakini mbatigite bisako.
And that was good kwa sababu rero iga because of harsh economic things issues ose enchero chumi yako ngire maybe nanda kina nere kogera abasaya babo especially the Gen Z babo at marriage sana lakini rende
kwa ngire merete umeite
kara ira ngoraye ndo ngire nata to tabi about abasaya mbare ba rwete sana tingenda outside gusi and of course outside Kenya umungwana nare nganjite sana ku Patrice Lumumba imagine ga kwete kare just 30s but na wate family of course lakini Patrice Lumumba ne rwete kurwanira nse yaye kwarore bono abasaya bago bakwete they had lani ko muntare ku kwenda enka kienko timaitinga ngobono iga
makia iga ko swandonsi erinda abantu bakonya
amakia iga
yes
agende yani abantu no umate tigana abduction is just squeezy. People were being seriously assassinated like Kogo Ituli lakini Africans could dare. Bona Patrice alikufa vibaya sana. Iko batese to bakaitu itukobe abantu bagasiria magimabo George Mosetanyona. You know Mosetanyona was most of his life nature amanyata. I did the story. Iga amanyata jera mono wetane no
na matukari abwato
gusiba. It was a sacrifice and that's what it tells us singa unabara yabake. Mambine ninta etukosa kubana usino mujumbe taringa ninta etukoba ninjembe
binte bimbiri go tibya baraisi go
binte it is a sacrifice you have to sacrifice even your family kwara imagine umuntu omanyete Nelson Mandela do you know how many years was he living in Nigeria no more 27 good years Somanyata jala na because you want to liberate your country. So it was a sacrifice and that is the relevance to call it as a story.
I think abantu bago temo kubata na barabo kose batemire nande kuimukire tambukira bunekyo the Gen Z's abuna last year kero kurigereria abantu abasaya ni gobe bwato gitu montarenga kena rinde lionsi kenengi yo gitigarete otatiga bono the difference is boni gabasaya bange bawusiria magimabo batatigetie gesako batatigetie ento legacy ndio sibagega so tamanyire nonye abantu abange bagusira sechinjira chire cyobo tutukano batamanyire fatatigeti marieta okonyora nga kerogene tandire mukonya kumention nga aba egati abari ba bete short lakini kwanyora nga bono marieta itago chikotigara ekiagera in as much as baitetu nganense ya Kenya bakorwanira kerogene it wasn't a big deal na kuligire kurase amatuko engake yo abantu bare ko assassinated emyaka yarachire sana konyora nga abantu abagate millennials kerogene baraboba but ekento tokuboria ke sainga ki ekiro muntu akorige kirugo kyuburai umuntu eneke nga watigire legacy gusa watigire nteki abantu baguchingira into barago abantu barago kera bakonya kuinyora bagokera sayo meta abantu abange bagosebirogo kwanyora nga no kwerigeria abantu babwate personal interests asebirogo byoburai
it's all about you and you yourself.
Ne family ayo nyekiro kindi kerororo.
That's why. Chinga kimune chicha chinchirego. But then another thing that we need to remember, abana ogose bari banya tuko bagwachirwa engakiria mangana Gen Z. Maybe you never know. Nabakonyora ngumuntu na bwataka family kai muntu bantu batamanyete. Excuse me, but they are never married officially. But what I'm trying to say, Matilda, you cannot say that by the family mapema in harsh economic activity situation.
Yes.
Na ndo nyorenga engakiri yakare bantomba renge bange chi family number 1 iko chiatagete abantu liriba baswati mbaga somire. In fact, yarenga wanyo waikiri wasene 18 years ya somumura enchiranere there were cultural things chiaro kupush omuntu oreta abantu bwango. Unlike rero iga, are you aware that today no mwibuli awu advising atora areta bwango? Because of ebintu buna bya kongire.
Bakore banga.
Bakore banga echoka bya. Because toho chakoreta umaite rero reto musba rero 001 inde njibweka. You know, you say that yeah, of course I'm not married. lakini rero nde nchibweka if feeding myself gose kwetene na nchibweka wakongere what about kwaretiro mwana munyaruka umakonyanga ne bontao gose no mwana uria uri materialistic wanjite bintu ebiye how can you manage that?
Ndate yotanchi tie bintu ebiye
okay yote bengo ndate yotanchi tie bintu
ebiye kine kyo no nyana no anchi tobuke mobu ya gusto no ligiti obuke mobu ya neringa ki aseboniga tokotema kolambali so tari koikeri
so again take kia push abantu to an extent like they don't want to marry mapema but I'm not saying that I'm not advocating abantu mbare mapema ambia like naro kero koreteki we bangete this is why now we draw the line
Sabu kwa muna kero kende na nyora nenche na politiko asegete kan ko politiko na ki ninki eba ngaki orega kateba nga kero kendo nenche okwe menyinje bweka kuso kwerage ya berege tiro na uchu yega era isa kutuka ni mbwate manu yende lakini ntori ko kana mbuya nande kero bagocha nyasayo koyo
and you know tirangote biga sometimes there's a time you have to push yourself to some things, some bold steps. Like, ngakinero wika, we sukuma kuchia segento, egera kwa think outside the box. Bono? Ntoko, okay, ntoko gendra koreranga ujumi nenkongo, na hande tutoko into tuara chi family. Nandu ya, nande into buena tutue pushiko chime, egera torengera ringa ki. Bono, enaka korire akantoke tiga, we sustaining chebweka. Bono, and again, I have not to think otherwise. We cannot be lamenting every day and time nga ubagimanobo kongu bono ntrikoreta abantu. Abantu wikatorete abana wikabache egerenga we think outside the box. We have to balance this time. Ndiroraga nyebe mono. Ndiro nandora ndiro kwayerera and ndiro ta oraga nyamono.
Lakini tinga kiti nyasaye kiri uko bangira na kiekyo ndo chenga omonto dare oiga nkorara bakoteba semetanonga kero kende unashinda umelia uko na shida nyingi umejaribu kupata mtoto temango konyoro mwana mnata igore bisieri sabu tena maya so batemoko lakini nande koranga nonye bari batemere njira fune yo konyoro ringa nande mirango nere guchiye gukota amanyete
I was sharing with a friend.
I
was sharing with a friend just recently within a week iga ore chinse chisiko bondo konya gusanga nga halo nga kyoboge mabora abumbi yebore ngumbo rende nga by the way what pushed you kogenda gabo agantebi sam onye tari omwana one singe kuja hapa so that's why I'm telling you sometimes we got them again take you know there's some guys I like in the Bible abantu abale kuru kwa watu walikuwa na ukoma sijui ni washamvi ama kitu kama hiyo abantu abaru wale to ukoma baka tebanga ki hono gaki enjara yabalire umaitenga kiri kiro kwa wale to ukoma abantu bari go avoid leprosy ya bono waisaranzire ondeta yo kubalireri enjara yabalire baka teba mambo ilikuwa mawili ya kwanza toje toberega iga enjara ngo tuitere tuku tuisa kugenda abwa saba nkona bari mata tuchikuligenda tiga bayiko bayite tukwe okay egendo bare ngare tingaki at the end of the day there is death whether we sit here okunkoro togenda uchi mata abo kunkokortaki nkoro bakate banga yaya tiga togenda tumanya ngani ndagera twache guri twakoraki twatu Mungu ni nani bakata cha bakaenda bakanyore ndagera so there's a time okobekanga kama mbaya
ati ni maadui zetu siku zote lakini bora tufike katika kambi la washambi.
Lazima tufike kambi la washambi kwa sababu alina obokonyi bole. Yani there's a time you have to risk.
Kuliko tufe hapa kwa njaa.
Ndiba nkibono to kwerenjaraga. Iga no gukutobera
twakuru. Ukarengenga anonye omwancho murigere na bora chiko kanyarekero twakorire omoyiga kishino cha wakoma. Timu nyanga sam gosena kukarenge korifatu. Kurinde omwancho murigere asengecho yebiro ndoche awoyiga Justin Baronga gotebanga akorwa chinsemo igane chinsemo chiri cha YouTube agotebanga Justin Mchelsea from Nyakoe Nyagisai niko ndani nawatakia wafuatao wawe na siku njema. My dad Morris, brothers Ferdinand na Innocent and my darling sister Emma and also my grandma Alice. Mbia mono okegima. Igazeti ya Daily Nation. Yeri tukoria rero ndocha gotebanga Mitumba Nation. Ringa nali mwamu. Kira kende samu nkare ngokora agenda se opuna wakindire. I guess you can count the number of times wachira se fundi kupima chianga?
Actually, I think Matilda is rare sana because even my own uniform I think
wachete chiro
nachete chiro nkagura. It is rare sana.
I think
it is rare sana kwenda kwa fundi.
In most cases okonyoranga abantu abangia sense ya Kenya ebintu bingi biri okogenda byakoira ase fundi ebintu bana uniform chiro china chioko okogora kere nyi ko so
wapime kere nanda abande egento eko baira ase chifundi mono repair not to copy
repair.
It is a repair. Trust me. A big number egento eko toira ase fundi ni repair.
Ndero ebiraka byakeira ase chianga no kurigere nonye chisurwali chiri chokobeka uchisukuru mbono ni uniform chiri chingima ndere ebiraka abyakeire ase page ya kanene ya gatano egotebanga Kenya is now a mitumba nation. Why? Ngi gazeti iga yateberega Kenya is now the biggest importer of second-hand clothes in Africa, overtaking even Nigeria. Omete Nigeria population ya ere 4.5 times kurwa ase yaba Kenya kurinenga nonye Kenya inchira toko import tokoreta mitumba kuru
it's good
ekoro kwa bel
ya
inchira chigo ikigwa awakene muna igikombo genda isile ari inchira chigo cho isiline chinyi ngore giba koreta kiro kurige igikombo ari inchira chigo ikigwa nigo ekorekana nga ense ya Kenya bono abantu abange we have gone for mitumba.
Bono mitumbe mitumbe ya bere
nero lifestyle.
I can tell you for free mitumba is the talk of town na chio abantu abange bakutumia chiangechi iko bono. I think na inde no angusiga you are talking about Gikomba nchukusiga we have a lot of bells chikonwa kera se mitumba ye chiangechi egerenga chinyara ko bachiko sustain obugima bw'abantu tegentoma ite na inde mitumba chire chingia. They are readily available. They are not that much expensive, and
very affordable.
Kenda daraja. Do you know no kenda daraja? Mia koko kenda kwanyoranga ni yange ngia. Kwanyorenge ko take ya just 200 shillings or a push na kira over 6 months.
Bono nondo chiga zeti page ya kane goteba Kenya tops Africa in importation of second-hand clothes. Bono ensi ya Kenya nero ya tanga ndikima ase chinsi cha Africa chinsi wetani 50 bono ensi ya Kenya nero ya rorekanire koba ge koreta changa cha mitumba kuro ase chinsi chinsi cha Michael ose chinsi chiri cha bere developed ndo chinga bono. Traders sell second-hand clothes at Gikomba Market in Nairobi on February 18th, 2024. Na poigo in 2023 Kenya led Africa in the importation of used apparel and textiles. Ngano nyeno mwaka uli nande bado o 2023 nande Kenya nero yatanganite kigima igo bono mete sam kero tuko kwanira Gikomba. I think onde se okorire taro gochike komana ma think ke okoreka naroro because no roche no nye chifundi chiga chigosona no bagotoka yange ndio sibwato mutano no igukorerwa ari yaba ready omonto ocha kobeka nebwate ase endege gwikerie chibel chiri nebwate si chi stock chiri chikobeko kero chiarure chinse cha maiko se chiarure chinse chiri chitangaine chama nyawoika kwanyoranga no nyaba ikaba kogenda kuino nyokura soro gongoro gusikira bauch koye mitumbe ega mbabwata se bakogenda boikoro so imbuya korende nande nkwaroche nganga kinere nande serikali yatagete gotebanga abakenya batumeke chianga chikorosi kwa sensi ya Kenya lakini kwebolinga nonye ntubwate nonye cotton isaine ntubwate cotton ebiga bikorosi chianga bigo korase textile industry bisaine biraro senene biraro chianga chiko isana abakenya.
We are a country that sometimes we have a lot of raw materials, lakini we choose to import them. Toma which correct one. Our industries maybe nchiri go sustain. Ebintu bana konyoranga gusana majani, bintu bine bitogo import bingi byaragenda. Are you aware most of the Kenyans talk to make a segregate what? but the grade 1 they na
grade 1 nteri gotigara Kenya nonye juice ntobwate buna bono Del Monte tubwate echi kampuni chokorosi buna bono chikosia mananasi amatunda aya lakini yatukanga nonye grade keri yekatoko no twagure supermarket it's not the best
it is
quality.
not the best.
Yes.
So we choose now to
Nintu toko birosi byaba ready esengenjo abakenya abange kiro kene mbago ikera rigori ose tutagete korosi ni bobunense ya Kenya abyagenda iskola lakini ebyo tokori biko babiri buna na mabaki
inile mabaki
toitabenga nonya majani tokonyo nonya chiskari tokori tari grade keri kiya tokonyora.
I still want to say that our country Kenya ntuna abantu turete nene and we even loan other countries. The only thing that we are lacking again tokoto chandete na mangana yo
oboinchi abantu
if we be faithful with chibesa chia serikali chibesa chukwa chia magendero keregento we will be a country we will develop. We talk about I mean the umfano uchaza chizi cha Africa esengenjonga ntobwate we have a lot yetoranyara ko batoko lakini esengenjobono ye bokurumi kidogo no bwencho bongi wageranga twanyara turege service
ukonyakorera ekero sekero ne page ya gatano na rimwe gotabanga how mountain reacted to Muturi sacking tukorigereria oyo kabiro mwaziri wa public service omoske Justin Muturi ni gondo chenga abantu kurase orogongo oro Mount Kenya nga abarai ekati abarai batebire kero kende they saw it coming it was long overdue nga konyono nabo okoranga no ene konyo isanikire ne mirime yega na takire kogenda at the same time abande bagotebanga yegani kegendete kubeka orogongo oro Mount Kenya areke gima kurase serikali gose umurai bense muske William Ruto.
But what I can say, we had said it, Nege Karo, Habaro Nyototo, we said it's just a matter of time because nobody was aware Justin Muturi wearing a sack. It's only when, telling if, it is a matter of when. Bono, ya nyara kopage wikirana. Korende, Tima Tinga Omora Ibense, I was sacked when he is touring the Mount Kenya and he's sacking someone from the county atwarire challenges, especially in Abananchi. Because not once or twice, ochire gale sense mo ya Embu onyara koba ero monye no chire you cannot sing in staging ero monye no chire maybe onyore that hostile reception nginyore tenga kia taito kwana mangana asha mangana yo bochano ale sense mo ya Embu abantu bakarawoga Justin Muturi oyo monyene na chite sense meria Embu kera matanga arengo
akachosoma ujumbe yae
ni Kivuthi akachosoma ujumbe haya abantu bakauma na garia lakini naende bono muraibu nsaka bo mungaini akarusia Justin Muturi uko mu replace no monto okurukuru asia constituency Mbere North unajua Mbere North formerly yaringa kurukwa Siakago constituency bona kero chiabagana part of Mbere North karukuru ya Siakago na Runyenje sigaro si chabo Mbere South. So if today Justin Muturi could be an MP, he could have come from Mbere North. Are you aware of that?
Yes.
So from this Mbere North, or Trump want to steal Mbere North.
Na bengi omwaziri tubona twabate omwaziri muske Machogu buna rwetaro na rutokanyora omwaziri
lakini bona this is different.
Yes.
Because oria renyari bari masaba lakini wabona are
abari nkurwase constituency
it is the same constituency. Yes. It is the same constituency that Muturi arenga ku represent when he was an MP 2002 and of course 2007. So replace no monto. So much as Umoraibense is losing touch with abantu ba Mount Kenya, he is still bringing in more.
But no manye tenga omonguso Justin Muturi ara atuare kusabire ka gutwara serikali bono yo bege twekiro geke kero kende taranyora tarabanonya popular.
Okay, buna bono when you compare Ruku na Justin Muturi Muturi looks more experienced than Nini because Muturi has served in top positions in the government. Igarengo mubunge keraro mubunge na bete a very powerful chairperson of a very powerful committee that is PAC Public Accounts Committee na bete a minority chief whip chinga kichiri cha kano kwarare ogocha kuruabu he served as a speaker
of the National
Assembly. Keroro speaker, you are a national leader.
Yes.
Akabe speaker of a National Assembly for 2 good terms.
Yes.
And then kuruabu na sabetuno mu attorney general nanda akawachakabu mu CS. So when you compare that experience, he's rich of experience in terms of leadership as in Kenya. Bono Ruku is just an MP. abantu mbere batamaitiruku
nogotaka goteba abantu ng'ana onye twabaura na bado twairanirie omonto ino of which abakenya mbaisanegete abakenya abange mbamanyete ruku lakini omonge ochira ochorire korwa ase ebingo icho imoke omobungo oyo mokorwa ase riroba riagusi achi kowakilisha abuna bono tutebe nonye abarai bari twatwarire abana korugusi
lakini nando rende ninge yakorete omonto omuya egere nere tore leadership yae so egento nagoteba ng'a much as omorai bwense is losing touch with the mountain still nko bari wadi yare buna bono look akaura okay omorai bwense omokoro omokonyi bomorai bwense omokoro igare kurukuru Nyeri kero arwo igare tomusies kurwaria kuru Nyeri Oyure Mutai Kagwe comes from Nyeri who used to serve as a senator so akareta 3 months Kenya
but Taira
CSS
yes
William Kabogo kuru Kiambu Mutai Kagwe kuru Chisama Nyeri and of course Lee Kinyanjui from the cosmopolitan place of Nakuru, but of which Nakuru is more of the Kikuyus there. So he's losing touch, lakini mbarenga lose kurwa se serikali. Amelose Gachagua, akalose Muturi sasa, lakini amewariward wangapi?
Nonyoko ba reward some abari akobeka magnitude yali babwate teriko ba felt buna abayiga bakogenda rigere Gachagua okero ko compare Gachagua and Kindiki in terms of politics mbarenga ini no chikwana no nyomunso mbarenga ini
bali political experience you can tell abanda mbarenga
bali bakogenda mbabwate munso mono because barato ari experience okay ntukuri experience sengenzo tukuri no moske Rigathi Gachagua tukwana ngamangana siasa na beretaro rege
deputy president
yes tabeti siasa rege
yes no yonde tarato experience mono ya siasa elective politics na bora nyora nkwe ngejare ngene bikorbi ya siasa ne batara elected professor is just a senator. He was a senator from Tharaka Nithi, and then he has risen to Kuruabu senator CS Rio Chiro deputy president. So in terms of the elective nini mbabua na ini mono lakini rende Kenyan politics siasa kete chibwa tomonwa. So when it comes to amangana yogo kwana then Rigathi takes it kwa sababu it's very harsh when it comes in.
It's about inkiyukwana na kiyokole miyabantu na kiyokole abantu
lakini rende intubono umurai uyu professor wetu olino musomo sana integrity ya nama yateko ye protect kerago kwana igago kwana gento gete onye siasa gako ye kwana in a very soft way okay Rigathi igago kwana ne chinguru but are you aware that is what the Kenyan politics needs? We call it vulgar.
We call it like
tegani tumonto okirete abantu abange bari bakirete in politics, they have not survived in politics. We kabakwane ne chinguru we kabakwane we kabarwa ma igento gero tokroka nga vulgar.
Actually orio kukwana mononero ko ba reward disenge nchomba maitenga no bwato munguso nande nabura busa gutaburi abantu no nyakurwa se serikali yeli tuko bono konyoranga ayena gutanga na kurakiri wo mutangani sinayo kurakiri wali tangani erinde na bali bawo se bali baraba bwatani bawo banyora ase bagwatana nekera tukurigere nande amangana yaiga omanyetenga ase bikare binge kwabere gukoigwa chi campaign chigotebanga Ruto must go kose abantu bago chantinga Ruto must go ekero bari ase bikaro mekutano au mense ya Kenya ndocho bono Oyore Chief of Defense Forces General Charles Kariri na boigo oyo tenete kiombekeri kia National Intelligence Service NIS Director General Nordin Haji Kariri nere Haji nigo bono batebire onde boensi gose engane yega abantu bakonya gotema konya ko hakige kuronga Ruto must go baketenene ekiagera ncherende yonsi nonye abakenya barigeti gukora amaonchorere gusenga amaonchorere akorwa se constitution erinde banyare kuriginchera baranya overtake kose overcome serikali eri araroro engane yiga binde byose niko bibone to gukorwa within reach iko igongane warning go chase bali bakonya ngamba chikumikire gwetambukiro getindi bali bakonya kuoka nga Ruto must go and sisi bagotoka nga Kariri and Haji wait on Ruto must go campaign legality the deployment of the military to Kwel, a protest last year has been questioned by the Senate. Ngano nyene Senate ge kunya kuboria nga ncheraki serikali ya nyarete kwa nchera military gose ya majeshi acha kwene kyo botorerwa sense ya Kenya ndochenga abaiga babere uyube kyombekere kya KDF na boigo kere kya NIS barure onyo entinde gose ge kurege tinde uchase bonsi bari bakonya korachi campaign gose ko segete chi campaign chiga chokonya goteba nga murai bwense bakagende mugano yi ne page ya kabere gazeti ni ya Daily Nation erituko riarero ntobwate amangana iganga bon soup is attracting a cult following soup crazy ndochenga umosori nora iga aboya bwa mauga bon soup yabantu konyora banchite nga nora iga kero kende okoreta omochando gose okoreta okubwatana agete ase ebisaku ugete nga food and nutrition experts warn that consuming the broth in large quantities could lead to health problems ngakia mangana yega kusokonya konyo musori wa maugo monge na bora chikoreta umuchando asi akorengana na bari babwatu kumanyigoro ya mangana health na boigondo chinga ngana ndini ge gotegemea mauga kia yaga mukonya konyo nga bon soup etege handi no bwente kurigerenga amauga yego se soup yo konyo mauga ki akorosi ayone kati yari emeye gazeti iga ya Daily Nation nekirondo chinga ritukoria rakene nigebwate amangana aya advertisement chinyinge sana na kagirete nga yuna arara mangana manene gosari aranyare gukunira mwancho o morigereri hande ngana yende ndo chase page ya 15 na gatatu page ya number 18 nigoro ya ekyombekere kia USA ndo sense ya Marekani kero yanyarete gutiga kwena no bukonyo cha sense ya Kenya only they managed to get ARVs as US cuts funding ngabono okonyora none chi ARV kose amario gari yokorwari burire bo HIV nigo bono abantu bari babwate bitoki na baranyare gwa afford kiagera ona mario ga uniga verika gokia kigima nande agochikoba ayeri gori igo epeji ya 15 na gatatu ne murekerete ngane iyo bateba ARVs will only be available to the highest bidder ngabari babwate bitoki na barenyorere echi ARV igo bono ekenege kurege tindi sana nande ningana yo kuichana no kubolenga abantu mbabo sagotigwa bakwe samu umete ncengana ayane neyemo Bantu baba sagotiga bakwenga kero kene makonyara kwegora mario wecheche hivi because usikurigana nonya abana abange bakonyora mario gaega abana mpare batobwate nonya bayibori abantu nabange bakonyora obokonyi kurasa mario gaega abantu abange bari innocent bono ise gutoka ngamba konyara gwa afford abakenya bange barasiya magi
nande egento kiamana se obugima bw'omuntu nafingia and the government much as ncheyani what I always say this abarai the most important thing you can ever prioritize na afya y'omuntu kero omuntu abwata afya na nuchumia kwa kenda bia abantu bakore gasi ebiashara byatoka no ene bango yanyorekana but much as tabwati health eringia especially bono amangana ya bari babwate uburoiro obwenyamorero I think those are it's a very critical condition that abantu babwente ko beka makini of all the things the government yarorenga na kiranyara ko bagego support abantu bari barubwato uburoiro boiga egarabanyara ko bagakonyeka wetera sokonyora mariogo egento kende chinyagitari chitu should be well be equipped mariogo buna atakubura esengenchonga ni gare very sensitive buna bono roche USAID ya rusirende totebe mchango libakoreta ikobono as a government as a as a government as a country wikumura ibwense abe very smart kwanshwanga egapweringa kituranyara kubatoko yesieka. And let me tell you, as I've said, Kenya tuko na uwezo. Tutige bintu bikebikeiga, ntuna abantu turanyara ko batokoreta amonjoreria anamona kemagenderero in terms of the health, education and everything. Are you aware that our education is one of the best in the world? We have the best education system.
Lakini implementing a system we gando chenga ya biro mo owo sana.
Ya biro mo chando, but it's one of the best.
Na kurikiria ne gazeti ndochinga ne ya the standard turachikurikiria ngana rimwe murioka nekire gotebana Cartels Hell Hall inkie gukwanere egotebanga musical chairs. President William Ruto seems to take a gamble on how to handle the Ministry of Health. While it is hot in doubt corrupt syndicates have stranglehold on on the key docket 3 cabinet secretaries and 5 principal secretaries in 2 years is what experts say is the wrong prescription to ending graft and giving Kenyans proper services they pay for. Ndoche bakumurikire eyo izare iga yobochonu nekire gotebanga cartels hell hole nga kibono bari chikatel gose abantu bari abarayi bataikiraniti bagendete gutawala ase ewizare iga yobochenu nigo yaberike gutwara umuchando munene ngakiro kene kintu kyagerire ewizare iga yobochenu taranyara koba akigwikirana gose konyora obokoleri borobia kwana no bokoleri obya uchase aba Kenya kubwatikana na kiringa azat now buna tungwanega yaberike gutwara chi cabinet secretary sato kesa serikali ya Kenya kwanza soe kirogo na aboigo yaberike gutwara principal secretary batano ekibono na kio kiro kendo kunya gonchoreri goko kunya gotema umete na benge na tebete nge radio kunya go change we say frequency nga ne radio kubwata bia FM nga ye kubwatera bia bono nga mo raibense serikali ga na kunya gotema izareri iyobochenu chinjira bunecho
bono twatware already it is in a span of just 2 years, actually 2.5 years oroche twatwarire 3 cabinet secretaries. And let me tell you, let us expect more on changes. Nande maybe it won't be the last time. Na beta the health sector, banabora nyanga nanda aba waziri bande mbaraba uchinjiwa. Already we have had aba waziri batatu in a span of just 2 years. Meaning by the end of 5 years nabora nyoto kutwara November 5 kujumuinika. Already we had Baraza, I think nitwa oyo nde Debra Baraza twatware Susan Nakumicha onaga Eden Duale Eden Barry Duale. So, but at the end of the day, much as we are doing these changes and it's a very serious health docket, very serious. And let's open at least the issue of SHA. SHA, you can predict that if tomorrow we could have read the magazines, still the issue of SHA directly.
The same newspaper, as it that SHA. Nekirondo chekumurikiranga aigati yechi pesa chirichiganiri ase wizare yo gusinga the transition from NHIF to SHA seems to be the biggest headache the government is facing. Ase page yo ntangani kigima kusase page ya gatano nalimo wiki ya gatano na kabiri gazeti ya The Standard nga chipesa chibwate omuchando ase bonega kiroto kurigereria chire 104 billion shillings ase umurubiriga osha ayo naigati yari arese gazeti yo una watebire nga egaze mangana asha arongo kwana rutore ase si chigazeti cha
gazeti we could have spoken about SHA.
Yes.
Even on Sunday, but on Monday tutaongea juu ya SHA, so it's a normal thing.
Na People Daily ase wango mono page ya kanendo chego tebo singaringa nari mwamukigima nigo ribwatu mugano na inde we cabinet akirago tebanga Rutos unfit untouchables nga abali abantu bataikiraniti lakini otabakune abali abasani baikigima umurai wense ntubwate ngokwandirira abakabeira abawaziri gose abo mbaroro bare abawaziri nande mbaroro bati tuwe na kubikwa birogo tubwate buna bono oyo kabiro mu waziri oyo bono igotenereta mangana ya UN envoy Habitat Ababu na Mwamba tubwate Susan Nakumicha Aisha Jumwa tubwate Eliud Owalo Edward Kisiangani Andrew Karanja na Moses Kuria abunegati yabari babeire bari umurai wensa tebete gusa ikorete buna nkuba tuguterarare korimera ndakanyara kubaira ni ase serikali ase chinsemo ari bagari kuba tuguterare pi akanyara gukora amonchorere.
In Kenyan politics, we reward our friends, most of those friends. Manyanga gako kurusiga na bara kurusia gutigesikake, but there's always a way yara kubekemi. So that is it.
Mpia mono kigima orato rai ase gazeti ya Taifa Leo.
Aso wangu mone senga nchebiro, Matilda ase gazeti ya the Taifa Leo. Mchegenga koskei kutua nguvu za kuajiri. Igane iliswali ebore tinga nenyarekane ngabono umu nene uli gose mkuu wa utumishi wa umma gosorio tenene taba kolika sibe serikali anacho kwa mamlaka yokolika gose yokolika abakoleri abemiremo be serikali bunabono yoro korukunganere Kosgei Felix Kosgei enyarekane ngabono iru libagali yokolika abantu iga iminete ngochire koba umuntu uri very powerful ase ense ya Kenya. Kurendo somo ose onchira yobwekran magano yuko nyorase gazeti ya Taifa Leo ase page ya kabere alafu tugusuka gucha CPJ ya kabere nebwate maajabu ya county kuwa na wabunge wawili okuwa na mabunge mawili speaker wawili na pia makarani
aikosi ni county
ya Nyamira ni county ya Nyamira bono babegete bicha yo mu somo governor we county ye asabona gaba cooperate ni chi bunge ibere so ntoma tinganire libonere
wate bunge mashina
nere paka
bakwa kwa re wiki ye mo ekikareke muke gukorerwa se county assembly na kendike gukorerwa se ward eri goma yes
ego bono mochando na bubwenta kutoka kuba gusekonyo esa emeroberia egerenga county ya Nyamira nyara kuba gusukobosio kemagenderero because when we are having issues buna bona ichiga konyora nga magenderero igako irana maja stobaje SPD yebintu binde bigokorekana bitari ebiya gucha asa magendero konyora nga magendera akuirangora wabunge wataka miradi iwekwe kwenye bajeti kuzima ahadi hewa ngabono batebrenga yani nga chi project chonse pichibe kwa se budget egere chinyara koba nchiko ba namangana ali montago changa ntobekega kyabanga noko kyabana inchinga kiyo lakini ekintu bune kyagenda
vitaya se budget yes
alafu Gaigandoche Kahariri Haji waonya watu wanaotaka Ruto aondoke mamlakani. Matildo Maite, we have only our constitution allows us kokoro bunchiri bwa serikali in many way si chinjiragete. Mnabona maandamano very but peaceful ones go say asobo chori. So much as bono amandamana ko arokani ko ba tariko koramiremo and then let people wait for 2027 for legal means egere ngonye mbata itiumura ibense abagwakira olibatagete alafu tugusuka busyo senator ataka kihika mpokeza naibu wake mamlaka bono esinge ncho kubura okonge kumu governor we county ya Nakuru bono umu senator imukire igoro nagotebanga tiga omokonywe anyara kobaga kwa guchinguru ekyo egere anyara kobaga gukorera
abamenyi be county ya Nakuru
abamenyi be county ya Nakuru togukorera gaiga asara yuara manene ase gazeti ya Taifa Leo. Amerika ya Murisha Kir amwachilie Machar upesi narago okoro mugano yiga because omuzozo gende tari chinsa mocha South Sudan for the longest time umaite Sudan has been the country ya nyora independence just juice to South Sudan since then we have had issues between Omra Ibense oyokoro kunere Salva Kiir Mayardit nojiga okorkwanga nero mokonyo Riek Machar so bono na bwatwa bone go bakotebanga anyara ko bagagutigwa anyara ko bagagutigwa kurwa ase ejela inarara manene ase gazeti ya Taifa Leo korendo nyo gutatu konyora sinchira yo gwikran igokura ekwanyora gazeti yao ya Taifa Leo ase dondo yeri tukori rero ntakete twanda ase Malindi mjini Malindi yeri chisemo chiri cha Costa bono gaiga yabireti abana biashara babere barosyo bosani yabireti barosyo bosani babeire ababisa for a long time bono asenara abakwenda baoyanga egete kie biashara bono bakomerana oyo makori egete yo kore biashara biyo yonde oyochire kori egete yo kore biashara biyo no nero chire gukora kori egete yo kore biashara biyo
bono tiga bakaomerana bari egete kio baira bose
bono go yabireti nga barosyo bosani bono
yes
kwa sababu bono banyoraniro na wapata nishitunga bono dada wawili walioaminika saluni mjini hapa walizika tofauti zao za miaka mingi walipokutana kwa mganga mmoja kila mmoja akienda kuzima mwenzake oyabide tibono bosani
bale utikolimani bakaumera na aliase omuganga
bona benge nga Matilda kerobwato mubiso mwende morutwe ngoreyemo bona moranga lende kweka tocho twakwa akitoka bone ego bidi tobwaterane omundu abwaterire ko unda kure go chigoro unda olioro mutamba yonda tarere kwende go chigoro egera mosoka kurwa there's a time that situations can meet
okonyanga mwensi more desperate use lirikiro mundu abwato burucha so yonde momera nase baka mugo toerera
use kwanyoranga igakinero konyoranga abana abamo bendeyemo pagechaine lakini bono kero oyo marwarire you have no option onyanya gitari arengi go support bono burwiri bwakora wabomerani. So there's something that always will bring people together. Nara yokora kanitasi chisemo chiri chia Malindi
County ya Kilifi.
Abantu baje tukuomerana bakwenda kuligirania gete. Ngabona aye motegererie no murigereria ebintu bune bi avoid such.
Okonyo kuigwerana libero aikero abantu bari bune biashara tiga abantu competition yako ogochi aba health abantu tiga baita benga kero kene nabo orabe okotanga ine nanda matukonaro konyora kure maiga kima korinde sam ndo chenga mbaraiga kalista wanyati ko agotebonga korwa kisi botlas igetenga agotebonga anawakilisha abantu bakorwa chinse mecho chiagetenga emambi ya bono nande oyoiga nduchinga Zakari akweruka akorukwa Zakari kurwa chinsemo chiria cha matuno agotebanga bwakire omuraria semi abasae bakeye oborebi amaigane aikire omwanchone Beatrice Anzemo ogotoka matuno na bana bane happy watching you ninche Zakius Mose amaigao aikire asomwanchogo manyakanete buna Beatrice Anzemo ogotoka chinsemo chiria cha matuna ndochenga ere okuboria kwa enkoringa abasae bakeyoborebi timanyanga kwamanyirenga abasae abange babiri bagutuka okonyora omonto achieta akabeke kenyenga kiaye gusinege chenge naki bikoro kwa kwanyanga kiamwengera otumukira gari asa kwenyorera bwetura ase yes.
Unabono, there's a story, I think it was yesterday, part 1, whereby almost Konero yare upanish one of it suspended Korea University because Ochuka University because of Ekanyangeki. It is a fact. It is a fact that Orogongo Wagusi and Enamona Savasai again take an issue. Amalioga Yogotindia. Tario Motebu Tenyon Erenya Sore. Taria mangana yo amarwaye kenyuraria ebusa I think kangara mangana yo mosuka mangana ye angakitoko kechanga. It has been an issue and again take kiagera abasa bange basiria obogima bwabo abasa bange ba tware some mental issues because of this kanyangeki abanta bange ba lose families chi family chinyingerero nchiteneni because of amarwaye chi family chinyinge chiatiganire abantu batiganire because of amarwaye abana bachire to an extent yogotigano ne school because of amarwaye iga
abana bagotinda bakora ebyasara by'amara
abana bagotinda kwanya rosino muibori igabe abegete obugima bwaye bwonse byasa amarwaye asiria magiba y'abantu. What am I trying to say? Let us come as a community. Ebisange, are you aware that gusibono yani rero kentonge kwera rero yani litukeri ndi kwera? I want you to tell me. Lituko ndi kwera otaregunge kisanga gete kyabere abantu bayitiru umuntu itiro yonde umuntu butoro yonde okoboko umuntu ndo kenyenero yonde the root cause namangana yamara
nturakana umuntu nare okora osomoteri naro gotebanga konda asibe nari apimire abantu mbere bakonyo marwa senchira kose nturi kose getanga okonyo nokuya abantu mbere okonyoranga bagutumike ebintu byabo emete yabo lakini mbabwati mangana na muntu lakini asaba sae chitari tiro chichingake
and bono ogotatuko gukwemeremo amangana y'abantu bare so idle bono iko bakuringa watuli sobongo but you are bringing harm health harm asobogama bwao so again tonara ko ajaba sai bonse baturigeretia and let's speak the truth that in tonaba sai in Chana Matilda we are not that old iko turaba sai that bracket so kerego gente ke enkwane kurukuru asomo sai then it becomes so relevant ko chasa sai batu sonjeta semara wa asemambia bono na nariro morubiri atwarero ko bamara kwa bono pakango te amara kwa lakini it's early in the morning tema go avoid the much as was
wogerere binyo wa byogotindi
at the same time abokwerusyo gerenga obugima bwobuya nabotabobuya at least bo bafadhali our problems cannot be solved asogo nywe mariyogo yogotindi I want to tell you that mechando tubwate bona ko sino botaka ko sino
tari oborebi borakore mechando tubwate
instead bona ebe comment mechando
yes kero kene mbaroro bara waka mugena lakini neke maene kwana na basae ebe bwana tego kwene kianga bakeirie amang'ana yogotumika ebinyuwa byogotindi Rose Michemo agoteba ng'a Del Monte korwa chinsemo chiria cha Nairobi Pipeline agoteba nare nomwanchioye Naftali Onyango ombiya mono kegima Sam Oyunge nerera morodio korwa chinsemo cha Ariangabi nande Sam nkoko manyanga kero kende omwancho omorigereria nimbwate babere batatu aiga bari ase enyagitari eyemo aiga ase mochi obosongo abo emebere etaiwete biantu bwate bono omong'ina Yokabet ikerubo gose Embarisela na abo igonto bwate nere mere igekonge abo baigwete bobe ase emebere yabo na nenekero bakuboria ngabanyare gokorerwa amasaba abang'ina bonsi barase wodi eyo ase enyagitari ya Care and Cure aire inse gosere orosagi rw'enyagitari ya Bosongo igase omochi obosongo igo onko batomera okubwena kwa bwango na nene kirongo boria nganya sabanchire na baro banyara gosoka kuraro bale ichinguru kero bakorendo gose bagendete konyora obo koreri nere Helen Omosiara kurase enyagitari eyo nabo igo na bonsi bari batewete biya nene tukufasabero kubwena kwa bwango Sam kogenda ase mutimoko nkorenginga ne weekend ose togende FM ose batagite gokonyora bagende FM
buna bono FM somoro brio twarera tunaka crown leo najua mimi pia ni mtu wa Monday to Friday bono lero twarera toromerane kurwa bu Monday korendo nyuko bwate lunch you can always contact me tanyora lunch lakini lunch ngiatari ya kanyanga
embe bono saro mwancho morigereria torache kogenda ase mutimoko moge kore ninche koirana kogendera korigereria ali abereka gwateka wiki yega ase samienda eremo tukumirana nera igase omoroberio yega chinsa abune chiga ritko ya Jumatatu ase bono tobasa kogenda korendegendera kurika ujumbe yawo chigase studio naboigo ekerengereri ka ongereki kirokende nari agenderete anne mono kurwase riroba ria gusi
Shah Ceramics nigo bago kwa a special offer bono iga asechi tile au nokugora chikaton emeronge toto nigo kwa growth kilo isato bosa kukura chikaton meronge tano nigo kwa kilo isano na isato bosa kukura chikaton emerongo etano ne tato nigo kwa kilo emerongo ebere bosa otarigwa kanera kende size endeonse Niko okoegwa eye asichi brando bego chinde chonspe chi wall tile kitairi chance na boigo chi tile chia 40 by 40 kose 60 by 60 samange bakire simese number 0703 943972 ajirira gocha aseduka yabere Kansas Plaza angana Quick Mart Kisi opposite Mucha Place.
Zikun Clinic ni nyagitari ya kerero iyukurwa obokorari bw'obugwenia asamarwire au asugutumika amaliogo akurwa chinse cha maiko nigo bakubwenia asugutumika chimashini chinkongu echi chikuligireria na kunenkia omuchando bomorwaire inyura nigo bakuringoria babwenia na kurwa amaliogo nigoliria bonya amaliogo nigoliria mubuko na eliororo nkubwenia bali emechando buna pressure arthritis esukari ulcers kurengania cho amarwire yenda marwire abasacha n'abakungu gatiya yande amange nigo bakwigura akira litukuri ya Jumatatu guika Ijumaa guchagara chinsa ibere chamambya guika chinsa 11 chamagoroba batalere imeyo muchobosongo asamagacho a Uhuru Towers lirongolia gatatu use obakire simi ase enamba enoti isano na ibere enoti isato ibere eyemo ibere enoti gose enoti isano na ibere isato isano nemo isano na ibere kianda ibere isano nemo inye Spoon Clinic asobokorari obuya minyoka
This March on Star Times, enjoy non-stop drama, romance, and intrigue. Renew your subscription to enjoy intense battles in a fight for survival on Gangs of Manila. The gripping tale of fate on Wild Heart.
I loved you so much.
Heartwarming power of dreams on Hands on the Dream. Love against all odds on Soulmates. The flutter of love at first sight on Eclipse of the Heart.
You've also become the queen of my heart.
Renew your subscription today to never miss a moment of the best of global dramas on your Star Times decoder. Download the Star Times On app to enjoy unlimited entertainment anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Ine kwabere gukorera asenga kintambe guse niko kwarwalire na gusalia endibo enyinge aha bono tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya Walfit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate. No borwere bwa sungwira abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Ngaki borwere bwe sukari bo so mobero goime. Hypertension no borwere kera manyinga ko gende gore so mobero. Walfit itosomete chinchereza to chokorwali amarwaire. Enchere ntangani itosomete ngende nga conventional medicine. Yani obonyagitali obwa kawaida. Itosomete ngende nga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakuruse endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka esoko rwali amarwaire. Nchirende yagata tusomerete neka tugutumia international herbal medicine. Tugutumia marioga akuruse mete twarwali amarwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza. Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marikiti gaiso wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho wake goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A. Ntobwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit Health Centers umusani obo asamarwaire minyoka.
Omogusi, are you ready for this? Omunyangongo na boigo omobui asaboteri Pastor Milk Rubo. Oigo oli omuredia n'omurubiri w'omusasuku Jumapili asi TV yaone radio ya Getembe bigo akuchingira emyaka 35 yobokoreri bya inseye y'ubukristo na kurandia enchili. Watana amonere chinga kichiga akuchingira emyaka ya 35 chitariki 13 cy'umutenyukane umwaka uyu chitariki 13 cy'umutenyukane umwaka uyiga buyiga orakorekane ase kanisa ya Gospel Embassy Chapel imeyo mucyugiga obusungo ucyakira chinsebure cy'amambia wika chinse 11 cy'amagoroba mwensi mwariganirigwe musesenigwe.
Your life.
amarietane nere kimisuko na ere kimisuko no manyagetaria imeye nyagetaria nuga pesi ni nyagetaria gotoka somo chobosongo ebwato obokoreri bwayo buya kigima na kobwamone gotumeka chimashini chekerero echichiarure korwa sense ya South Korea nuga pesi etobwato obokoreri boito gaiga na kobwamone twakonyiro mugusiasa atambe twaberire gaiga asege kegetambe korwa mwako 2018 mugusi onde bwensi obwate mechando wao unabono mochando bwegetekio mogongo gugwatia amagora akobimba mochando bwa arthritis manyinga waka igoro mochando bwa sukari amona moroira manga arese mebere yeito oitana ni nyagetari chinyinge nendo taranyoro bobwenia ne sengenjo ataratarire nyagetari to ya nuga pesi erinda nyoro bobwenia obwega boito aiga nuga pesi ntori kobara ntori kobete sindani ntori kwa Mario Gandon siyogo kobekera chemicals omubere etogo koa obobwenia boito bwekerero obwo gotumeka chimashini na kobwa mono chindetere chiana no diamond tomenium
nirietari ane igongoro kumera ni kwambuka one gento na rochege kone igona nyore to buruire mwaka 2002 oburuire obuna akire kuri nyagetari na iru nyagetari paka bwasinyire bono ngote abangonde bwensi ura doge nganari no buruire buno bobwa mauga boko bimbyo mubiro yo gwati botari korara era tigaike gaje senya gitari ya nuga besti elinde mokonde munanyi gwete nga yankonyire tinare ko nyara konchore bigoti na gwe kumba lakini bono ko nyara konchore bigoti nyigwete nga bono ngo na gwende ngo gwe nande bono
Samarieta ongoro kwa Estanyarik ayande ngoro ku madam director korwa se enyagitari ya nuga besti nogo tonyora asama gacho Ourutawas second floor tirongo yakabere kegusi twakwariganirie togokonye omobero obe buya amanyinga atare buya omobero ore buya noro konyara kurigia enibo nuga best nige gotoka asama gacho Ourutawas ye building yege sinyaine mteira igotore Kenya Women igoro tirongo ria kabere egento ndahakikishere omogusi yominto nuga besi nero yokere aso mochio bosongo timo ngaineka emekora nemenge yachire se chinambe china chinaba obwenete gutwakira tuba oboshauri boisaine motonyore tubakonye twakonyira abange
asamange nabuko bakirisi migwetira chinamba chiabo 0700260518 gose 0784955717 gose 0705860053 Nuga Best gotanga mbuya kubwako gwenia gusi bono na bukwegokia aso gusonja etibia wanje Tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 egoki nimrulu ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri mienzi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania Uganda Malawi wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas ama no guchingira ku mwaka muya ili wego kinemrulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora e channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia momogusi
Enyagitari ya Self-Care Medical Center asentunde ntangane aseriro bariegusi nigo egokoretera a free general medical camp terike mirongo ibiri na isano na isatu mirongo ibiri na kenda ni terike mirongo itatu cy'umutinyiga ugatatu umukoyega asenyagitari yeyo inti barabe bakurigereria general consultation mangana maiso mother child health gose MCH na go family planning na yende amange incho umerne n'amanyagitari kuro kinsi cyo moiko na isko yeririba yegusie inyorega uchakerense ya mubwika kinsa kende cyemugazo agirege kugera nabo uranyorwe niribaga incho origererigwe oringurigwe obosape as a free general medical camp asamange bakira simya ase number 0799747414 onde ori na iguri riasha inchuri tukerio oiranirigwe gekwera abamanyi bashamba tuke asensemeyo Silver Care Medical Center igere mbarabare ne kanisa ya Gekomu SDA Asumuche umwembe.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolire iri kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomenya seyeka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chire chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iri abantabatinu buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyueranga ne duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Edwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
Mwancho murigerea karibu sana nase kengese kyo mwale kigima kyo murubiriga wetwani yagetembe ne kirondo chenga aiga ase studio ni mbwate omugeni kore no mugeni wetu tukori rero tari mugeni tari mugeni karibu sana eri danyare kusanga anainto nkumwarigani kino kinde kwa vere okomorora nande nawara manyi eri tari ae na boigo naki atoka aiga ase
Asante Matilda, somebody thank you Kabuga. Waonkorera Siketendo TV.
Mhm.
Thank
you. Yes, karibu sana. Eri Kabuga na kibu akire.
Ukietese.
Li tukore juma bantu bafanye ko basa sogete.
Tukore juma members day. Members day yarenge ngabande bakorera asibajiko kunywe chai ose coffee bagusanga. Akira no gutaka gwichire nse yose basanjiri buya. Ko gukora kwagenda nyumba. Bacho twa members day ne family yao. Yes.
Members Day ainkwanya kwarigane bantu iga rituko bnerita ri juma mwakore gikarande iga kerekene mwena no nyobo semia
nabo kwarigania abantu timokoro bosemia kinyo bosemia obwakeire squeeze kyo monda abwata bosemia bwae so chako beko bosemia obwamo bwonse nyoro bosemia omo bakonye yabira kon. Yes.
Karibu sana ndo tinga na mangaveri kako obaka ko ateka kura chinsemo ime yagusi ane mono ewiki igane kero tukurigereria korinde Eric timanyanga kero kinenkiura nyari gukwanira iguru yengane yega ya abantu tutara kunera chintakana ndo tinga abasaya bange bagende dosiria magima chinjira chimbe chinjira chobo tutukano
bogima bwabiro bakon kero montongo erigeriale mondo amarete ng'abasaya babona ike bako kubanio igoro rero wande skuru gokora once cause chibesa kinde kiabere gakon you might think you must struggle omakanyora yaki yago ejo koira nyomba maragoba at the end of the month so abantu abange they want to do shortcuts yejina chiagarire oba obwichoire yes majazi ng'abantu ngobwatu bale bairwetera nini bachiko koirwe koti bagambiwe kina abange mbakanya wikaga bukoti spachi kugambiwe kina abasigari squeeze ko monda tarabwatu maybe wake risasi wakure so abasaya bange monokula nsemo yagusi oba obwichoire nyasare yachoire what we call the illegal drug substances chichoire abatumira mariogo yogotinde so gasinjio form employment iyo even the informal employment kanya kapte chake biashara hivi yabera kon so bago goichire sana mario gaichire so neringa monta mate tenga tumyo nenya sae osendo nyoro gotoreka timete kaundi gotole gogo challenge akini gotoleka ngoro
ne kiro tokorigerea kiro gosetukenete kumurikira abasae kwanyoranga abasae mbale echintakana abosembale okonyora baikirenga kiri gochaka chi family lakini omochando noro gendete kwenekiwa mochando obubolemo.
Actually, the issue yobolemo yabeire egentego kongwase chimba chinyingase gusi. Oiso kogereri bonoiga for a long time chi family ngwa appreciate charenga bana chintakana. Osa bana bebe isko yenyoma. Lakini bogomana bogendera to konga kwanyoranga abaspati abangi bayiboire bari chinga chiabo bataranyoma. Ose abebole abange bakule barabake batiga abana baba bakina konole family taranywa bolemo ose taratira bolemo soka abantu bagukina chinsemo chiagusi bantu bange gusimbale timalimo ose title deed njiyo kero kana bisiera register no akwathinga abantu bange mbabwati title deed na chiboro chingechire maybe fake osasa kana family chinyinga ibole bakwete mbaraka succession so that abana bamura osabana bali abiseke banyaba watu mubwa banya title deed so it's a big issue as nsemo ya gusinga amalemo nabwate issue amalemo abantu abange bakubona iga as a family setup okanyara shit nabo nasenchi amalemo malemo bakakambala tabalemo anyomo notike tutarata bolemo taratira mabaye bolemo nabantu abange batakoni bolemo what you call bono yagusi yaberenga almost the entire of Kisii county yabera na panieli in an essence like okanda none binyoro imo town kwanza kwa develop abantu banze kunganya kuba imaging banze kamera
town bakubeko
plot yabona so abwata mulimo within obo shopping centers obo market centers banze konya mulimo so kero muntu bwataka boli maga kyata ketekoni kwanya nango muibori taketi kwatira muruyo bolimo anyara kon maybe asenje baroba kamo naro chatamba bolimo no bokato konyara kon so amubana bakocha bal salt once chisegi as a family setups banza kurwana yenda bukora tetu lisi na bia mado sa salt.
Yes. Mbi mono kigima nekero to kwanira inganiga yobo oremo kose engana yende mero kurase orogongorwa kose wancho murigira ni kondaga ni onyore chibicha kurase ekinyorogia kanunda egotoka me ward ya Nyakoe ase ebunge ya Kitutu Church South County ya Kisii kerobono umwana oyomo momura omoke oyo orentakana ni ganyarete komwenia ise umwaka oita naboigo ngina akanganya kubatakana keringa kero kendo bugima niko bwabete boko konga kigima kurende nigo oyato getenga abairi gose eamate kanyara kumutagurira umutaka entakane yo enyumba hakatigara tabwati obomenyo nekero bono abamenyi ibekenyorekyo banyarete go kwaka eriogi naboigo bakogigeria engana buneyo nebikoro bunebyo ase orogongo rwagusi
Ekerero kia mayanda yentakana ni gobono kia batura abanyakenyero ba munjiri kanunda yogotoka imeye wodi ya Nyakoe maega yogo tagurirwe nyomba n'abayisemoke engana bono ya mutiga atali na bumenyo
samale tangoro kweni Nyakundi osoro nara ire chenge saa 11 monto antiano yocho bisho murangu rende na igora na mete ningo kere na igora na tebunga soki bintu bya kana baboli nga ingo soki bintu nga ingo chinaga ninga abantu batumwe mabati gora bamurabenge babere batumubansa gutagora mabati na ne mokana ndabaka bo mugambi na report
maega yoko mweni atatu mwabo omwakoera ni gatigara senke yue buno mugaka bwomochi
omenyire kurwenga kiyinje nanya korabitina nebi narora bono nande bibwate stebu itali yobo menyibwa wanya bantu ikugerekere ngote bibwa ndenchera goche igango ikaga nanyore nyumbe na nechiba meze yokete nene nabona abano gukumyo kobesa nebulinga ki iga nganyo abantu batega mbereti angaga nabantu bakwete
nonyina boni gaberiga kogosereri gwobongima bwaye entunda gwetania yamo asama tukamaega
mwana oyo obeire okogoserwa nagoserwa karara nyanjwa 3 days mo siesi akamwanya ne nyumba karara kama kumutume sende anganyiri tiare nyumbe tarata rumu akuri
abamenyi abwe ni gobono barerero boene bwentakane yeiga kurwa sekinyorekyo
ngana no bomenyo bwa mwanya abantu tubwata abantu kitafauti tubwata umusacho okwerera tubwata umuswati okwerera tubwata abana bakwerera lichi kongo gabanirira abantu aba na ekero umwana atigaire bonesa guri nerura abantu bakuru kuchianko chiaye ni chianzi chiaye na babanete kolendo umwana oyo none amatita bwene tikumukuna nga yago chikorari nyomba batagwire bone tukumetinga na serikali akogenda amenye ikabone serikali tigangerorenga umwana oyo ngokonye kwa konya arore nyombe yaroseriwe aira nabe erororo ntemu nangegenete itukondi umwana yanya gutacho murango bwo muntu kumusaba ubusi tanya gutacha kusabe kibiriti umwana yakokora chikonda akwiragere bune ekengwerere nyomba
gosangano umwana oyo aserieta Edwin ni gobona amenyerete bibarua bya maoko ibono birobyo bigenderete komwa engeria yaye iyakira lituko
njengo ngokora nere kondageri nere ngora kire gento mbeti ngora mjengo na veira no muibira na answer ko ibintu by'abantu
omu assistant chief we sublocation ya Iranda Charles Nyauso ngobona aliera yogo chiko bwati ali chiko na kwenekia nga umwana yoiga onyoriro bwene bwaye
tubwate leadership ye kenyoro ntwatara kutu uniform tumanyana ki nkibangi kegenderete bagote gotagura nyomba islaiki bate ku victim umwana oyo bamoseri egere baire ebloti so ntogo kiribuna kenyoro abantu be kenyoro bagechiri asengenje bakora ibintu ngobasokano na ndebe sinchiri tali ndonge so lende ngosaba abantu baminto babatohereru amangana abona asoro ko bwe serikali nko manyatolingiye kubwatia kuruororo abakore egenteke babugurie emesigo yabo lichiko ikore egasi
twatemire gukwanera lakini twanyore ngantori konyara bone gento twagani motokonye mune serikali tumokonyera umwotokonyera umwana oyo nerate ni nabera muno muntu bwe kenyoro abe family ye kenyoro kya munchiri nerate nine anyore konyora nona abamate baye bamubwatesi igobona mabere twasabira se serikali mumokonye kabisa tokorera tokuranga
kuripoti lya igitaseni kiao na mbeyemo kia getembe kuroiga ase kinyoro kia munchiri kanunda gotoka imeje wodi ya Nyakoe literana enkoro kwa dipon asanya
mwancho murigereria yinengana yogoichane nga Eric kerokene nga oyo tabwati eriogi otabwati chinguru takonyora bomenyo takonyora kinde kiri aranyare gwetogeria kerokene mate banga obwato mwabo obwatu koboko chaka lakini bono yo bwata abamwabo nga amate na nere gotoka nga family members na ubako mutagorere nyumba
kesi ya kanunda it's just a drop in the ocean as a story ya Maremo Gusii in terms of inheritance. It's creating abana chintakana na konkwegwa Maremo Gusii not because nga maremo tayo but because of family issues chi started to root as a family chinyinga as a gusi. So what normal happens yalinga civic education track ru yase chinsemo tia maremo gusi that people don't appreciate what we call succession. Atikero meboli yoga kuro se abeboli basirire
no what right you
but still it's not necessarily nga kero meboli akure osekara mo na watiro borimo. It's like in your meboli akoborim. There's a court ruling from Kisii High Court, Dance Court ya taitenga. It's not a must meboli akoborim. But then the story Kanunda calls for what is the family values as a community of Mogusi. That you mwana no mwana. Na bentakana na mwana motaka kero mwana bwa right as a constitution. So abago siri mwana yentakana ngatabu ati right yoka gobore mpaka kapako motago re nyomba ngai batake tagana because brand ya ene family yeyo. Ose maybe they feel like mwana oyo nonyaka menyete kemochi oyo maybe tare ngobo. But you see, the law requires that there's a likelihood that automatically one becomes your own child. These are the values as a family setup. You see, appreciating yes, so it's a call for chief, sub chief, DC. Let's do enough civic education. Konya family rating abana bataka uzabana chintakana abanyore yaki yabo ya property.
Abana abasubati kero kene ngwate rubale gusi akonya korro mwana musubati gatiro buri muso.
I can give an example like now inka I now zinga soko na atrite chiano bolemo. Abande no pasimegete ndagira maybe agache kana agache but the constitution 2010 allows for mwana moiseke kwa property like mwana momura. Taringa no mwana ke muske assuming mugwato mwana muske seino otaraso kosonyo to mwana taraso ko chiboy. Na kimoko sek. So that's why the constitution ko allow mwana muske nere I wish share property ya ise osi ya bibo bae. But then they negent get tackle time mase gusi ko appreciate. Bagusimba goita bangu mwana muswati ngana weekend. Bakubuli ngali kwa nyome tu. Uli mumbwale ngoro. Ozo kurwana no wabamura. So negent takire ko appreciate una community chake we appreciating yes telling no mwebuli wanja kwa umwana bule mone that thing is in the constitution is a right yo kero umwana kwa esha yo property is
yes and kero to kwa ndre bine binke ebyo bi tikarete kero ko genda se kegambero buna bona ikya gusi gaiga kusigia kisi ekene kegambero kenene okugena na kirikia nyamira ekero ko rigereria ebine biga byo maremo bigendete go kobera raso bonge na kikaingane yera nyale ko sansa murano kokoro.
Okay, imetano neroro as a story chamare mase gusi that's Kisii Nyamelo code ndo bwate bot Kisii nyabate the lands code nyamene bwate the lands code it's called the land and environmental code ili never vile I remember the last time I checked it almost was last year November December gab they have more than 3,000 unsolved land cases but because from maremo ya serikali was a private land it's chira maremo ya family okay even they stem from issue chair succession Kana family sinjenge jaga succession. What happened? Sekero mweboli asiride. Male motago chuo ataratwa. Kanya banze kurwana boka banyene. Now it comes to from succession kwende ya properties to a criminal even case. Kanya libako nya kurwana male monga bale mumbrate nini. Kanya rusumo muro ya memo kiriyo moro akiro yonde. So kanya instead to solve the issue ya succession of properties to attack the criminal case aso montakule. Kitamoko criminal case Nando montondo kule. Yes, nando basiri. But again, it takes a lot of time to solve chibi na bia succession. Also bia maremo basically in court, not even succession, but even bia maremo, because it involves so many parties. Timoga ndrete kina one of the parties yoru kota benche ya. Tindeke ndreke. Okara maybe an application in court.
Abande amaki.
Amanda maki. Ande kina gia change. Yes, we cannot deny the fact that the ndogwate corruption in the judiciary. Yes, it could be there, but in most cases, families in Barai one ananga. So for me, it's an issue about succession. Now, I'm more lands office. The land register was handling some cases in a service. Yeah, we succession in. Moga komo go to what me akange tamani ni gaga so go service. Agateba, I talk about succession. So now I'm going to have I talk about land register. That's all we can succession. Basi gotegera mugako I thought like ne repatriate ko ye family yo. Like ne mugako monye ne bono mona sumo chui. Batika gotegera kuma kunge no mumura bu mugaka. So imagine mugaka kwate miaka 80 isene miaka irenga akale. Kuma kanya mugaka isa kwete kale sana miaka ngasa 40 ya elire. So muno ne rotigarete. Bali mabwa mbanya go koroka ninga ga mbugo ga ngai. So these are generational kind of issues ya tokire. Bono imagine mugaka yo gasite miaka 40 ya elire. Ono mumuroe. Imagine ya muraba nga kibangani. So nereze ko sira this issue goes back to abachukuru. Awataka kurwana. So you can imagine issues kanga kichika na baka. So it's an issue in Kisi. Yes, we agree. Issue yobole mone mbere busi yari wa affective amurabo much. Pona yaso ya abachukuru.
Yes. Kuruti sokoro baka abachukuru.
Baka abachukuru.
Nakiro tokende tokurigirira engane yega gose amangana muna yega yemechando imenga sechi family enkanere eyemo asechinse mochiri cha marani. Nakiro tukwana ensemo gose ebungeri ya kitutu chache no teme county ya Kisii abana batano no muna barabukanyara gutiwa no mwebori konende te manyanga kirokende Mr. Eric ngwatare tugocha se enkayo nande what nkikwanya le tukurigirira usingi kwanya le tukoherorera
umuraya yo makwande yesterday that imyaka ngi komigo se komne tano ya elire ensema ya marani aba so many issues pafat level se charingi ubutaka bwaringi ikoro mare makeira twate issue yechinda marani then there's an issue ene mono ya marwire gari marani ketwachete soba bana bastaba ebuli baba bwene banyore bakubura kuba sechen sobe sange myakene twate tu story ya maru that the father and the mom were drunkards. At one morning kabana do mwana wa mokonyo kore myaka ngeberiga bakanyora bagasoka bakanda mbanya kwena mbakabono paka bana bande abana se family banya bagotena on school bati kokaraji konda kweligeri so mwana mwisa kwa ya mwana gokonya abana bande bamwa it's an issue ye family ke pache tangu twache tarongwanya lete abamura bande chiango chi abana aba abantu bamete buya
abantu bagachite buya balene ningo
patike ndo kyarenge fani mamo mwabo babu mwabo ba magokoro mwabo bana aba igamete butaka una abana aba na magokoro na meta na abana aba bande bane so obviously you understand what could have been the cause ya iboli abagotama paka bikiranga mo chief tanya go solve this issue so sub chief mbanya go solve the issue ya abana abanyala bakonyi bagende school nkora tuna certificate kwende birth certificate chabo mbabu ati so that when they enroll for education in schools as a requirement you know birth certificate so it's an issue abarai even the family level baikaransi babola ninga ngaya magosa ngete na murani aba iboli bali changali mwoga tila bana abachinyomba ngo chiko balenda tige serikali ya soime eligia bana bali bairani kwanza issue na naro choro is an issue yobolemo
yes
tukana discuss this story issue yobolemo na yaro ene family emenyetange ne parase rami tete yaiwe so amabale banyalete chiango chia bana bali benyalete iko baire to bonsi wa para
niko babegete
biashara pakatika bana bataka gochimaega gitonge baraka no anenjere access akabale makatika tasini kabana bali ngaiyo anase ko nyanto tugo kanyomba kali akagotukale kali ine nyomba ya murumu mare ya mosire takatinde kugari so mo muroyo isabana aba kanyante kwa nyomba yae akaire nyomberi so there's an issue like all mono asbaga jiba nyombe yango tubuli mono bwabo sembori bwabo that's why the carry ben to che meta benga ki solve this issue before taraga che nyomba na iboli bache bai wana kuza muko ache nyomba mambie taguru
yes
nta iboli mo mboli bwabo embera nere gaiga bwabandi bwalenge nande gusizo koligereri issue yoboina sekaza is a family issue asuboli maboko beko mbone gachi family chi abana baje skura yo basomete banze kubeka side ye grave as a family setup tonya bago set ya kapisa kasine ko volume asekere umuntu okwenyombe iyo agotindeko but not most families njire impress that idea nganto bendo twaka graveyard as a family so a family ya maranya bana bali okonya wachire ntwaye ndoro kabere ndagera ngaigo nabandi bachire most because they coming I've seen a WhatsApp yanzakire kwa I've seen some WhatsApp group abara ibakebe kuri anseme ibanze ko changa so let's hope by next week abana basimana bakonye bagende ne school ninyombe agachi bayane bamenye bokumobuya bole kimwanya abantu
tutararo singana eyo nekero konyora abana baikire to such an extent gose to a point where okonyora abana empure gutu nyumba goikayera nkiro nyale gukwanira abarayi kiagera ntubwate abarayi buna bono ntubwate kuri abatureti abarayi gotira nande kero kende beire bagwikirwa information ngoita bari nabana abari nchira igoro abarayi baitokero kende ignorance yabeire gose gose no ubaguzi babwate nchira bakora
timetingia toke basikuizi n'abarayi baitu kile tongo kineto baita ba chief sana na ba sub chief wakarure uniform yo chief watama no ndo bwatama gozo abantu bagache bari poti ase chief ngeshu nere kenyoro mo chief ocha ekaransa n'abantu mangana gambo lakini bono yikire state no na ba chief mo chief achorire ikenyomba aba chief van bakorere gasi kenyomba like arwete mwabuga nyumba ya abuga lakini ekinekere nyumba ya Matilda clan ke Matilda kwale rango na bachifu abande mbakwa tuko nyumba buli bwabo mbaliko bwati sheria linga kia kolegas because ina kine toje marani kitoro to kanda tuko linga kia station yero mo chief na chitegali karo je kamera aga kimetime to kwanda no to kwanera kirtari ngane kina kia kika to montai poti ase chief ma komanya irimpa rigoro no mo sub chief mo turete na roro nyumba 10 nero okuno watenga abantu abonzi mpamadinga abana bali isiko menyete osuna nguru school edu jane madenga abana mbali ko report school kali tuko nga chita katebinga abana absent nguru school ko report wena so mo sub county education officials of education mbabwati abana banga bamenyete osekera bakolanga parents day ebali bambali bango je school korera abana so there was a fail of systems asekina keli mpaka ikira sabana bachandikete bona ke monta banda take responsibility ngaki ento afiriti asekete nage kana iga kuchakira kangi to konya abana monta za ko prem dinga bona I'm taking the whole blame. There was a fail of the systems from the entire
abantu babwatiranite koyeria
no na bakenyero bagali
yes
that's make ndo no molebi ngambaro je bana bali ngamba chandikete myake yonse
kero kende okonyoranga abantu mbari chinkanchiro konyora chichaire abantu batari gutaka kugamba mangana yoro gose batari gutaka gotema kwena no bukoni buchiasa abana banya go blame nga kero kende abana mpatamete gose nga baibuli mpatamete abaibuli mpala tukwerusana ni nekero wakwaniranga umungina nari asenke yu abana mbabwate ni bo lakini no mungina kero kumurigereria okoranga no mungina chandekire otaiboleti abana nkiora naro gote yu mancho murigereria gore yengana mune inero
actually twale ngororo mwetimi akatembe yare ngororo twatemete kubura boli amaswari but you could tell that there's something behind issue yagendrete ngari eyundo banyene tutagenda ro totebi aka antunga there's a issue ngari kali mochioli because danger tukubuka mambe onyabango bwabo kole gasi maumina mete nyumba ya matobe I next year so menya to mede permanent use karoba
nande bwakachite
bakachire rentals yani obwa to sat for so menyete pa kwa mwe kwa gache yena ndanga bamenya kimambi na
menyete bosa kiro kende bantu
bayo bago bamenya toro
osigete nyumba ire bosa
so kwa bolinga issues tirege ganchirichi and that's why now we need nyumba 10 moture musab chief mbaka chief ikiaba romba my history ye family abantu bese kubatanya kumanya na moka na mokonya na ore mechi menga abantu bakwana bakonya if you remember case kia musbati ke twage ibiranya kuruga iribo machoge ngo ibiro busibu kuruga kala abantu bachita kokonya issues came out niko ndingo musacha tanya go chakame to sengai musbati agateba konya na chande gete
na leo chakumanyanga
last time you come to realize issues njire gaiga na moko na mali mwaga chu mojigali bale mo tengo buli mo bwana tukari kwalale so umotive natakire musabtive natakire na nyumba 10 natakire moto natakire ne 5 millions mutara kora kende gions bone ga secret because na tengo mboli mpare goro mutara kora kende gions kanse bolinga ki I start kwa ajenyo mbolo mbombo what issues what issues then you proceed then you ask yourself why family divided kya mwamwira kokonya why abana bakimba ko mwana gwate myaka sto mwana gwate myaka ibiratigira gutweru na ba chikaze ni chaji mezi nyamba cha permanent kya ba kwana ne ba kwana ni ase par yes
ambi amono okay nekero otogotigana anayo kero kena tukurigeria nande ase orogongo rwagusi ndo chenga mesesi onesmas agoteva humanity left mankind a long time ago a case study of Marani County ngane kero ko tema kurigeria ensemo eri ya esa timaitine sub county marani
Mani sub-county, yes.
yes nekiro kurigera chinse mubune echo oyo nigagoteba nga humanity abantu rero mbabwati obuntu obwanchani buri ucha abantu bande tiboyo togotigana nengane yo nekira barai bakendete kurigereria guse ababwatani au korwase orugungu rwagusi bakendete gukwanira igoro yo kubwaterana nabo igokwenekia kuna nkochi bari kumosira Dr. Fred Matiang'i nduchenga mana arite gukora egeikaro osembana arite kumerana ababwatani korwagusi abarai korwagusi banyarite kumerana na abarai bare bekiama kiri gya Jubilee. Mr. Eric, enaki uku egeikare gani kikianya arite gukorekana ndi ninki kiabete nkerengere kibasangete.
You know, se miaka na kore ni media industry. Na abantu bagasoe meeting bagambe. Basokesco ba address ba de ndeke ngako bakere ba discuss as a meeting. So that again the kereke again.
Yes.
It's like now people are discussing about the presidency ya Matiang'i. People have come out. Season politicians ba sokere. Aba yaba ke ba choru 2022 ba sokere ba tebire Matiang'i community go support. Lakini mwezo ndenganje tukati interview mwaka gete former council of Konteki kabiri mu council na kuna gusike umbu. Adanga tram nyakara ko kwane story ya Matiang'i. Ntwe bangete bino mugusi from the ground nga a candidate ne to bwate. Because I remember the story ya Matiang'i ya chagete. It was like he was the only one from Kisii Abolivo presidency. But in the last like 1 month, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, there is the coming out of former Chief Justice Maraga. And you look from the look of things, is picking up well. It looks as more of a candidate, which youth in Kenya, what we call Gen Z. Yesterday he spoke for the first time and he said yes. Abantu bamapproach bamatebiri. Sinabo yekero. I admit yes. He was the head of one arm of government, the judiciary. There's no challenge, there's no issue now being the president. Now he's coming more closer home. I think it's
international ground.
I know ground. I don't know. Now the image ya Maraga coming out, the image ya Matiang'i coming out shows who the Kisii community is. That we can't sit, munomugusi.
Tokoroko iwana.
Bakantakaroko iwana. Bakendera agenda yemu. Kile mundata ta support yo lioko mo ndagira. Lioko mo kimakira Maraga wako lioko mo kabese mufuka tumeke. Nyata ta support. But asking myself, what is the agenda for all this? Bona ya almost halfway. Hii miaka tane ya presidency ya 2022-2027 mbona tuikire nusu. So wate miaka ibe ange na mekeigo.
Yes.
Kogendera esabari. Really Matiang'i Wasoke, a powerful gentleman. Maraga Wasoke, a sober gentleman. I don't know what will happen next. But rende ke banya kogambe bindebyo spenyo rengo monto monene noli wake kura. Abara mwe basoke bonzi akiro monto monga.
Omwananchi.
Omwananchi akiro monto monga. The vote is yo mogusie kolo yo mogusie gaiga. Trigendo ke rise. And I always tell people nga chiko 2022 we had more than around 15 parties. Abara ibagusi bachore tukuru. Tabeke kana ndike 2027 party chike na 30. Ina stage noko and assembly ya Kisii ya Nyamira. Kuna bana Kisii bata CMC 45 bare elected. Amaka nyanga CMC 45 kemo ndabate party ya. Be chaotic. Ana Nyamira like wakati wa 2021. Ana CMC 21 kemo ndabate party ya. There's a likelihood on that. Kama independent kemo ndaka no logo chalo majority leader. Ya bako. So a story get retal into get raisi. But I'm happy that there's a coalition called Taifa Democratic Coalition. Yeko la inomo yakonga Gisore. Ben Gisore.
Eyenere libono.
The coalition ya chageta I think after 2022. Kaya gunduru tenga there were small parties in Gusii. Chitabwate Boamu. There was Kenya National Congress, Kenya Social Congress, there was PDP that time. But that time again, ukamakugundonga the single most party from Gusii. Yabwata baraya bange bachoritu as a national in the county assemblies was Kenya National Congress. And the Secretary General of Kenya National Congress that time was Ben Gisore. Akanyaka kachorobune chairman bono ya TDC. It was the coalition of party of one self okay. Nature of course. As we speak, TDC Secretary combined bono ya Gusii, Kisii na Nyamira and maybe some other parts. They got almost 16 leaders, but nominated, either elected or nominated. So it's not a small coalition. But last week but one roche Jeremiah Kioni, Secretary General of Jubilee Party, kakore meeting at TDC coalition Nairobi. When you look at it from what they said, party one chair so it has a TDC coalition at Jubilee coalition here, they are more than 22. Kuna Usawa Party, kuna Ujibebe, and now they are now talking nkogamba na party ya Democratic Party here ya the outgoing Minister for Public Service yonde Justice Muturi.
Yes.
Ngamba ne party ye ichikonyora ke go join Kuru Central Region, yes, TDC. So it's not something kere on the work ngamuntu ngatokonyara gokora. It can be done because we trust the leaders. But second, you saw Omingo Magara in that press conference. My former member of parliament for South Mogrango, Mansu Yongo and January. So let's hope that with time they'll come down and sit back on what to do. But at the end of the day, you mugu senta kereka and say what is the agenda to what? We have now 2 candidates, but possible contenders for presidents in 2027. What is the way forward? Can they come together by Karansbagambi? It's a challenge, but let's hope something will happen.
Kero kende ayene kero kurigiria bara eva Augusti aye oroche kero kende baberange mbare ready go chamo singe choro chenga onye batware chi candidate ibere bacha kire wakire kokobono mapema oroche nga mbabe willing we kanya agoso asega gutware coalition yemo gosego cha korigia omuntu yomo
issues siasa Augusti. They are moving from better to worse. I remember last time, after the demos here youth in this country, we had one cabinet secretary Olengo Kumacho Wakarusu Goro, Migosia Sasa cabinet secretary. Migosia Kataranga going forward, I take an answer by Ibagusi once, but by 1 year is a civil servant, yes, more. But as a senior most leader from Gusi, I can answer Kataranga Janagaria Barayama. To on the way forward, and that happened I think a month ago. Less than a month ago by Karansanova and the next 1 month they are moving to Naivasha for a retreat. But you want to know how to move forward both socially, economically and politically. But it's got a genesis yesterday on speed. The death of the former cabinet secretary Simon Nyachae was more of an end to the Gusii unity. Like Gusii unity kanza kwa road kanza go sira. Come 2022, 2013 chikura, Kevon Saka the devolution. We created 2 centers of power in Gusii. That's Kisii and Nyamira. The 2 governors were existing. At that time, we could not tell. Now, who's going to head now Gusii? Is it the governor for Kisii? Is it the governor for Nyamira? Then there was some waziri from that region. Aka sika kaendelea kaka affect the development yomo Gusii. Then we had Matiang'i. Asika kaendelea the whole of those 5 years, 2013 mpaka 2017. 2017 yekaika went back to Chikura. Chicago. Again to split Chikura. Tukazikotana monto yom. Again Matiang'i came back. Ese ya beka kaendelea mpaka kaja kuafik na Chikura cha 2022. And now you know what happened in 2022. You want to talk again. Bomo Gusii kaendelea. Now we want to discuss.
Yeah, net topic
we discuss after Chikura. To us Bomo Gusii.
Never Chikura Chitaraika.
And Bomo Gusii.
Yes.
But now you wonder what is the agenda of Bomo Gusii? And you know there are readers they can somewhere about ideas, but in Barabe impressed because maybe either they're not in government, or somebody in elective positions, or nominated positions. So the opinion is sidelined.
Mbia wakwana bunabona tubata baraya bakoro bali baraite chinga kichiri nonye tutoracha kamangana devolution ababwata maroro lakini mpaka nyara liba kiagera kiro kindi abaraya bagabare oroboni gabare elected bari ko ba consider n'abantu babwata ideas chira bakwanya.
Yeah, Gusii never had so many readers by the. We are what the advantage in Gusii. Most readers have Gusii moyo bali. Bali Gusii readers talk about the members of parliament during the time Nyachae before the people has put all political seats in Kisii, all elective seats in Kisii. Skoli bali bange moyo bali bad. Lex Wakinova Pore, Ure was there. Pore died, I think passed on the other day. The Guatemala was a kind of more powerful. What the resources were governing. Professor Ngeri is still there.
Yes.
Obre is still there. Kocha bali bado na obali. And even including all those who are very readers, during the time of the devolution, 2013, once in Abarai, We have had a governor who has served 2 terms, James Ongwae. Now what explain in terms of political leadership and even social leadership. So, who will call these people today? Table by Karanse, by one and over Chaya, Zerasino Buate, Esire, Buate Bosire. But this is a point you find Cremonata Tawan Romontob, Monto, actually. Kirakanyombe to Montobo, asked them to leadership. Like now, you're born in 2025, halfway, now got the halfway, time we are 5 years, but it's like kids and Yamira, we are in campaigns.
Bado nilio girigendrete amagendero taraba abantu baraimbara concentrate asai amagendero nikiro tugende tukwanira amagendero kuse amangana siasa noruche serikali eyiga ya Kenya Kwanza narige binabono ewizaririo bocheno yanyorire chi cabinet secretary sato inseye myaka 3 na bogo no manyete igoro ya aba principal secretary nando muraibu ense ase ntunda yende tari korosa otemre sana nende gukora cabinet reshuffle na abo iko nanyarete kuchora nande principal secretaries asendo chengana nanyarete komenta mavagande a principal secretaries si serikali nki ora nyare gutebo igoro yechirisha fo ichigo korukero kine na chigerete chi wizara chinde buna bone yo bocheno gendete kogo.
Okay, let me start with an issue ya erisha cabinet secretaries that it came at that time abagusi baganyerete ko one or two more cabinet secretaries. But it came as a shock that even after that campaigning for maybe one individual from Usiego cabinet secretary touched Koebu. So we are going back like where we were a few months ago, Shavaya Koretu, Magusimbanya 2 cabinet secretaries, so even principal secretaries. But luckily this time round, Usiyanya an extra cabinet secretary. But someone says like the current president, William Ruto, is doing what we call trial and error. Yes. That after maybe few months or 1 year, will change. Taraba step as a leader, but for some people, you will understand where the president is coming from. About the demonstrations, Chikaera, afterwards, deputy president, we had a new deputy president, what we call the arrangements, political arrangements.
Broad-based government.
Yes.
Yes.
So the country is constantly in political rearrangements, and they must happen for us to gain stability. But then you're even those appointments. Let us come in as a partner in the broad-based government. Not about interest. Politics is all about interest. So that's one thing I would talk about from what they agreed. And as I said, what they discuss in the meetings, when they come out, they give you something different. We don't know the finer details of what those people discussed. What we saw is what they told us and what they wrote in the papers, in the press conference. Yes, like now the issue that Raila has been given appointees like principal secretaries, net cabinet secretaries. It was not in that paper though. The media had something greater known between themselves and maybe those who signed, who crafted the agreement. But I'm sure even it wouldn't be a surprise and I will do another reshuffle. I don't know how many years the principal secretary was in their contract, but I'm sure he'll do something. The reshuffle according to Yomoel Ibonoiga, there was noise from Western that now they are going a minister for health, Deborah Barasa, Dr. Deborah Barasa, was sacked. People from Western felt like Barasa was to be sacrificed before for her to appoint someone in the cabinet. So maybe Ruta can transfer to a different position.
Yes.
But truth be told, even the insiders via Serekari, those people who believe that they support Serekari currently, they have said something about the SHA program, the social health authority program, the insurance thing, that it's not working. But how do you do it? If you saw the headline yesterday, I think one of the days yesterday, I think the president's blue-eyed boy, Oyore Duarte. That has been a great body. The favorite, yeah. The president. But now look at the last reshuffle, who went to Interior, Kipchumba Murkomen, a trusted body, the president. Now he has had a trusted body in the health sector. Let's hope that once you have now had your best friends in these dockets, of course they are qualified to hold those positions, they'll perform, they handle these issues. People have said now the incoming cabinet secretary for health, Duarte, is a no-nonsense boy, quote unquote. let's hope he'll make some few changes. I had him last time, some 2 weeks ago, in one of the talk shows, in one of the TV stations. Kago discuss the story ya Sha. Let's hope I understand it. Yes.
Nandi tukuri nonye daily se chukwa wana kose chi newspaper cha ritukuri goro nandi mbamuri kirete nonye umwaziri bobori ndi boime because egesaswa nandi avisi nkagirete ngumwako nandi omuperiro mukomu kigima nekireturo cha mangana insecurity kose insecurity cases echigendete ko rise tukuri kirete semo chiri cha North Eastern Kenya ukuri county inere bono aba chief banyarete kubwato bakora matuko gwetania merongene batanyara kwiranirwa nse yoburai wayo moskeke chumba Murkomen tukurigera turukana gari abantu bari kurupa chinsu na barabo abantu bakasiria magima bo senchera yogoitwa abagoitwa Kiolela na chi county chine buna tukuriye county yo ya Garissa nande abanyanye mbomba narete goitwa batano nomo bagaitwa bande bagatige ruchingo machimbe ne ebikundi kerokende byombe bikagire ne bya Shabab.
Actually, the issue insecurity in Kenya is not something new. It's something on and off. You can find a whole month Kenya repressive. Because next month we want to work with Baragoi, and work with Baringo, this time all those issues in. But for me, from the a media person, my perspective could be different. Security starts with an individual. It's not a whole thing like let us be safe. It's an individual thing. The issue North Eastern can't be solved immediately. That's my I then get what to do as a Kenyan, as an individual, or as a government. So he has been in the cabinet for, I think, in the docket for 2-3 months, kind of. Okay, people argue that the docket requires someone to have experience in terms of security. Murkomen is an advocate. I don't know how fast he'll adapt to the systems in the Interior Ministry, but let's hope he'll go out of office and reduce the case of insecurity in this country. Yes.
Ambu ya kigma ne asense mo eri yeti se mikiro kende twakwana ile buna amangana university new funding model twayokwana ile amangana tubwate buna ebyombe biga byabari mu kyombe gya Kuppet ekyanat na boigo kirigo kolika abari mu gya TAC ndochenga umako yobuno chagete mba chagete ase abari mu bari ba JSS banyare ko ba recruited kusaba banyare ko likya ase ekyombe buna ekyombiga ekiga gya Kuppet kirokene ningira naro kware ase byombe biga fit school.
The fact is there's a silent war among teachers actually. When we were growing up at Walenge school, we all of us knew Kuppet maybe secondary yes. And even some few from colleges TVET. And then we know that was meant for P1 or primary. But here's a situation where you are finding now about graduates being employed to junior secondary schools. Kind of some are even sharing staff rooms in Abanuba, primary, we call them the NAT membership. Then last week, I saw somewhere 46,000 teachers now under junior secondary education, but junior Kuppet.
Yes.
And when we get talking, we know NAT was the most powerful teachers union in the country. But now Kuppet is gaining strength because of the numbers. And I'm sure in the next few years, it will be the most powerful teachers union in the country. But let's hope that these differences don't discourage the classroom to affect the masomo. Also, or could deliver assignments to the school. But now look at the situation where I have some teachers, but I have have some different schools. Some are even junior secondary. These are cases you find the head teacher, they are calling them the principals again. Bacoman comprehensive schools, they are diploma holders. Of course, there are some who have gone to university, but even masters. Even some are even doctors, about the PhD. But here is a case you are finding now. A graduate teacher, in charge in a P1 teacher, or you're a head teacher. And now the staff from issues are coming out it's something government. Let's hope by next year when they transition to grade 10, these issues will be solved. You remember there's a case here in Kenya, I think 1 month ago, where it's already doing a target as lapeti, Osaka Wanechinguni, Mwalimu.
Yes.
They argued Mwalimu was a drunkard, but he was a junior secondary teacher actually. Or 1-2 maybe arrange did 1-2 ne head teacher. It took a career on first fight runga mwalimu galen kwa mwalimu sika chite kanyoli. But the main point of contention among these people is the idea of supremacy, like that's like
abantu babwate amasemu mari
yes, actually that's even it's not even unique to the teachers alone. It's unique in kichobisi nyingi. Umuntu someti kwanya yata ko ikaranzira mono. Now you feel like nanjinchete school ni someti kiwaje ko ikaranzira. But it's all about life. It's about the systems, how they work. It's now like we are discussing about Yanga. There's a reshuffle in the cabinet where you want to have a Duaru is a teacher actually, is a graduate teacher, which commanded docket held. And you have seen the warning that has come from KMPDU to Duaru immediately as he takes over the docket today. There's a warning from KMPDU, and I've seen even some sectors, some dockets chair held, the clinicians and the nurses union. There's a like you know, they were comfortable when Deborah Baraza was appointed the head of health docket. Can be do appreciate background in yabo.
Yes.
So in Karomo Ntoma comment yesterday social media can be is not the only profession as a health docket. So let's wait. We see what happens. But then the
ebyo mbibune biwe kabisi kwekiagira bibwata babwata ni abange sana na ndekero konyoranga omuntu omuraya gutenera abantu kero kinata bwati ubumanyi kuseba mubwete no nyama somo bamanyite ibintu bingi kumubwa nigo gochi yareta aribirira aritindi enkagirete nga wikiraga abo gosekero kene amura nyorenga no nyina na gutika mangana media nyore kwa bekiro gose kwa bwatane na murayo ndeiga tonyore kore nonye omo waziri ase nonye serikali kawo
Kemo, but you can't Kenya born iga. Anybody is a youth. About ambition to become a politician. This is actually in Kisi, Kubonchari, what the Kisi South.
Kero mondata ke toko
Oisa kana pone gora ngeli meeting.
Yes.
Suneka town hall. Tanga there's a meeting a youth. Kero monda wa 90% to be having an ambition of becoming a member of parliament in the next elections. Was an MCA.
Yes.
There's a ward I know. Was it for Morinda ward last elections? Yeah, but I think around 22 candidates. Once by the youth, come on, that will come with me. So it's
yes.
One of our resident guests is Vega. Quite see Dennis Yokin Akoru. And not a metacabo senator, Tim and Ron the Coboli. But then it's good that Wonzari constituents come on now what I'm on. It keeps into check like a month in power from the constituents, it keeps on toes. But let me work hard, what they want, because Cremondo na the right here, na Cremondo to robo why, like they have the right to know what is happening. So na ninja enjoy no bola yo. No ba kongo Kenya bone kine na boko ira ba kolegas.
Mbe mana sana ne kero to kurigeria na nyorete nga rit kuregoro. By the way, no merente na bari mu babere bagoteba nga basigasigibwe sana ne transfer. Are you aware inki kigenda sort of congruence transfer?
I don't think it's affecting only Kisii County, but then county because there was an idea that now we are having more numbers of students in junior secondary than in the next maybe 1 year or 2 years, you'll be having more students in junior secondary than even in secondary schools. Now what do? You cannot promote primary or some junior secondary. You only have to fill the gaps. Na bale secondary bagocha junior secondary, and even now last week, I think this week from Monday, junior secondary schools have been having their sports at Kanotunga for Kisii. I think for either Kisii County, yes, they have been having their sports at Kanotunga boys. No longer sports yep. So it's like it's a new set. Like there's a school called junior secondary. It's a system. So what happens? You know. Unlike some other professions, this profession in you must be transferred. Like if you went to Garissa as a teacher, one time you'll be moved to Coast, there's a time you'll be moved to Nairobi as on needed basis. There are schools that need teachers. Do people go quiet in a transfer Korunga because get to say Abuka doesn't want to be transferred? The government has to transfer them. It's like the police service. You can be moved like now we have changes in the police service here, their bosses.
County commanders.
You can be moved from Kisii or Nairobi or somewhere. You can be deployed anywhere. So it's their that's how their work is done. So you cannot stop it. Of course, there will be complaints. It's true. Mwalimu moved from Wagere, maybe Mabe, or Chirekisi, or Wagere alone, or as in Yambanya Mataru. After 2 years, come more transfer. Maybe after 5 years, come more transfer. When you want to settle, over transferred. I don't know what will happen, but it has to happen.
Igo kero ebiombe kosekere serikali gendete gukora monchoriri nebiombe binde chiwizara onje na chiro chinchegerete gutuma nonye chebo chenu twarigeire amonchoriri abere ka gukora kana sama tukabongo iga kuna nonye neyo ya tukuri no ikembe buna kere kya banyanyimbo na bro babere ba gukora monchoriri obunayo korende ndo chingike gambiro ngenderete gutuguterare na inde enganeri ya funding model ikina kirikonera kirase obosio bweke gambiro ndo bono ngianjirite the new model letumeke aborokyo abaiga abonsi bono nande kyombekirikyo placement gya kusips na kiro kinke na tenga usaborokyo wamba manyetigo nga bari bagosase june budget babonto expect anything isange nchoboniga amanganare bose namakoma andonse so mondara toke kabekire no moroberio rio atoke go como support go sego como ogosira no roy
I think some 2-3 weeks ago to about a talk show gaiga looking at the school the whole idea of capitation to universities and the programs and the opening of KUSSIPS portal. And then the government had said through the Ministry of Education that yes, there's an issue here, there's a crisis in terms of funding these universities and even the programs, that the government doesn't have enough resources you go fund all these programs. And remember we were discussing the effect has come out of because of the 100% transitioning of students from primary to secondary, then secondary to universities or colleges. But now, it's even to be worse because class because this is the last Form 2 class to whatever. So the worst you can do is the students you're going to Form 4 next year, so maybe in the next only 2 years. But what you're going to Form 4, they're the only candidates that are allowed to go KCSE. After that, there's no repeating of classes. Actually, even the CPC, current CPC program we have, so go to a class because of the career path. You choose your own path and you go to some. So ideally, yes, there's a crisis here, finances. Remember last week, we had a contradiction from what the president was saying and what the Minister of Education was saying in terms of funding these universities and the crisis, the financial crisis they are in. Like Chin Fast which is true. You so get around, they are struggling. Even some are unable to employ, to fill gaps, here, critical staff. Even if they are employing few staff. There are people who have retired, but are depressed. And even some universities were enrolling more students, which now requires that they increase their capacity, human resource in terms of lecturers, even professors. We are having more students now joining PhD courses, masters, which require qualified lecturers, who have now gone to associate professors or full professors. It's a crisis in Kenya, but let's hope that the Minister of Education and the government will solve that crisis. In terms of KUSSIPS, I'm told the portal might be opened maybe at next week to allow students to apply for September intake.
Yes.
Let's hope our wanafunzi mbache have enrolled with the right courses. But if you look at it, I've interacted na wanafunzi abange back at them last year. Actually abange, as we speak, abange were doing Kenya medical training colleges across the country, Nabande, went for TVET. So the number is likely to reduce from the number we were told at Jakaranda University. The number is likely to reduce. Let's open a Kurudus Kwena Mbana from Jakaranda University will now lessen the burden. Yes, which work on yes. Issue funding of the university as a case carrying code. You about the university from funding the program. I think yesterday morning there was a court ruling. Now, moved the which now allows the ministry to release funds through university funding model. And let's come and help. So let's hope that they fast track the process to university achievements. And now the government is giving pocket money to students. That money is part of that fund. So that's why what's about wait not for that. Yes.
Mbuyo muno sana ngore nginga kiro kindi gusonyo kupate kende kwa recommendera hai igati yari twakwanire na gukommentera kiro tugucha gukora.
I think for me the whole week we have been covering these stories And as I've said, the issue in Kisii, but not only in Kisii, but across most parts of the country is poverty. The issue ya finances in chiba sio batu mufuko chi onya gotumia kugura sukari amabere ira bana bawe skuru bagore chianga chingi nini. It's becoming an issue in almost 60% of the family chaito as a Kenya bono iga.
Yes.
Wekim kimaisha ya bera kong. But noko sabanga ubo mambo change. Bali ba chile skuru ba kolire. You either join in formal employment, ikiera formal employment bono gane bwate mechando. And again, as a family chito chiagusi, to employees fees like bagatokorwana twarigenje tukugamba tuigwanane tutikwana segi nande tonyarenga utaranzo kurwana segi bolinga no nyare wakwa tunabura mwe wako mu
tonyarenga wakwa chinga kiboneje
onye kukurani monyo nayo wako mbate kesi mo sbati urwana tu moiso ndenga wange utindiko mugako yesterday my pastor naro bwatetu if you reason that creep mo sbati ya sakoleranga ngibako muitira mu pastor nango kwa na gari kwa jina la Yesu pakuruta maraba tingina bwa yesterday batenda bana nchingo boli balengo muntu ro kantali yo mone tubegete balongorwano ongwa ko muswati ri biranyanga yale utara bwatu ona abantu ataketa bwatu ri mu pastor na bamura bali
umuntu kurigigo uganeri ke kimatara bwatu
utara bwatu uriga ko bwatu ngeke nga abantu batumoke bamanyenge serikali yakorere gasa kinya tara bwatu abango ri mubo inabegete bikote bichafu gali mbaro kandaze video lingango wana bali abantu bango bananda besuti chire expensive tikabaligigu batebengi bango bandi umuswati obandi. Thank you.
Omwancho omorigere oyo onega kurukwa Erika Buga nayo negati yari twakwargerete gose twaringe gusanga naye egitukeriga nekero tugendete kumurigera ayagendete asensemo ya oborai ansemere ya siasa chiwizara akuna bona yo bocheno twarigerere ye chisemi nebinto byonsi biri bigenderete gukunira omugusi ndoche nabande aiga kuna bono narega Charles Sangara Corazon Obuba na obare nabo go esbontai nigagotebanga good work abo negati abari bagende to kusanga 90 na oiga kurukwa Roda Ruth abotebanga good morning and happy Sabbath preparations to all Sabbath keepers in advance all around the world mbia mono kigima na boigoni gagotebanga kuika chinse mochiri chenyari bari masimba bunyakoni angaza ekanisa yege Adventist agotebanga asia ba Kristo bonsi good morning and happy Sabbath preparation in advance mbia mono sana oyo Roda Ruth igonga abonsi abuga tingo mayanga kirokende ayo nkokendole kanisa ekanisa yaonereri hosito kodara koganeri abantu esa batengia in advance kiagera togosoka kuroiga koterangore tokwana na samiyenda na rangambu yo koterangore nga kishino cha wakoma kirikinde korase go sabu biyali tukubuneriga
nara mkate kega goche studio tumenga sana goche mkata goche ngi kalsa mamos ma bisakuna mbili oji konteri kama the last time nga anya kane tama kande bindega bono ma toko tori ko twana lia bantu ko tori koko kemu ne biashara ali
ningyo kugani wakanu gutoleka
so nikubuka mapema na mubwati sigasi kile ntutako ende gas mape mos mandu era ndichikorandi nditwama tuende gas era toire gas ero chikorandi pono mpaka osinyako totoleka osinya gas yako toire
muro beri mojaka usangiriria sadaka
turaza ko usangiriria sadaka na twalire na natusabire tunya twabe chibali lakini ngo musabira nga kago saba na ndio tusabire tako toire gas mamos otoire ko marandi
mwagenda kurandi
twensi
omwancho murigereria hambuya mono sana hase ayori kwabere na into kurutwaga chagete gwikira bono nekero togocha gukura nigo iwete togendete gukoganiria nga ritukurigia ryo kwarigania esabato na bari bagutumuka ritukubona bona iria Jumapili batware chimisa chingio gosasi mokuya ndotenga abari ba Ramadhani ngoche bari gukora mutukabo yo kwingata kima nonye bari bedi niri ige Katoliki na bravo bwangoiga gukora bari amaguru yo kwingata igo mwancho murigereria nago kire gusanga naye mambi abono na boigo nekero ngoiraniria bari bonse banyare koneke ngayega ikiranire abateneri bagetembe TV na boigo bari ababwatesia korwa ase chinsemo no bono magega ye kamera Wilfred Matundra na korwa ase chinsemo chirichinde nere atsan hokoneke nga kwanyodra yega ase inchira erengi kirano kegima mwancho murigereria naye ase inchira ya bene mbuya mono kegima na inde akende gutwara oburigererio bye kyagera ekeroto guche gosoka kuraiga etengo enene erevosia kiragora chikonyora ere ora chikonyora bali abarako beka se dance bona kero tubate amakopi yo nere okorogo erinde onyare gutwara rituko ria Ijumaa rire ria masesenia